Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday, everyone. What an interesting day it has been. How's everyone doing tonight? Let me just go show the stream. Doo-doo-doo. Right. Oh, why isn't it showing my, it's not showing the right thumbnail. That's lame. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, that one showed the right one. That's so weird. I wonder why it didn't show the right one on Discord. Hmm. Anyways. When moon, but he said when moon. Moon soon. All right, let's get these little goals out of the way. We got 17% on face reveal goal option 103 subscribers. Very cool, very cool. The other option, $110 out of a $500 goal. That is 22%. Let's fucking go, guys. It's Tuesday. Bitcoin exploded, which is really really exciting. It's continuing up. We broke above our 64.3 resistance. At some point we retested it on the lower time frame. It was good. We got above our midterm purple trend line and retested that as support. It is now support. We got some liquidation points here that we have hit. I'm going to get rid of these and we'll put new liquidation points up. We are testing our upper trend line. The inverse head and shoulders has almost played out. It's 67,930 for the target for the inverse head and shoulders. That's what this line is right here. Right? Oh, it's this one. Am I crazy? Oh, no, that's a wick. Okay, my bad. My bad. Disregard what I just said. This is the inverse head and shoulders. So we're hopefully breaking out today. That'd be sweet. Otherwise, tomorrow, after today's daily close, I believe our inverse head and shoulders target-ish, depending on if you count the wicks or not, is literally right where we're at. If we break above that, then our target is 77K, which very closely correlates with the Bitcoin Archive's mention of Bitcoin's average returns for October. Our target there is 80,500. So far, the bull fractal is winning, and it looks very, very, very similar to the current price action, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see a fractal play out that closely. I don't know if I've ever been that accurate with a fractal before. Now, keep in mind, we moved it. It was originally like right here, but the W formation played out. We scooted it over where it fit. We also moved the bear fractal. We gave the bear fractal an equal opportunity, but the bull fractal is winning. And on Coinbase, we broke above our upper trend line. But we're going off the Binance chart. Binance, I believe, carries the most volume, so it only makes sense to go with Binance. The bathtub is our heavy support area. We're looking great, guys. RSI is not even oversold on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour really quick. Let me see. So there is technically bearish divergence on the daily right now. It's very faint though, but it is there. So we have price higher on above, and then the RSI is lower above, but it's very, very faint. See how that's barely descending? But it is there. So let's go to lower time frame. Lower time frame. Let's see. Do we see anything of concern, of interest? No, it looks beautiful to me. This looks lovely. We got our spike, we got our dip, our curve, our spike, our dip, and maybe this is our curve. So maybe Thursday, we're gonna spike and break above this. That is my guess, guys. I'm guessing. I'm gonna put it on the 4-hour chart. Thursday upper trend line breakout. JJ's guess. Let's see if that plays out. That would be pretty cool. Leave that up here. What do you guys got going on? It's Tuesday. All of my stuff should be arriving by Friday. I'm very excited, guys. Total 3 looks brilliant. Whoa. How close did this get? What is that, on the 15-minute? Holy shit. No fucking way. I think I drew this when it was just 2 of them. The third one played out perfectly. Wow. It's crazy how that pattern just repeats. I don't know what that is. That's got to be something with the time frame or something. That's very interesting. I can't believe that lines up so perfectly. That's crazy, guys. Something is happening in my brain. I'm becoming like a chart whiz. I don't know. Look at this volatility. This volatility was so nice. Watching this play out today, I'm just working. You know, I'm working on the cabin. It's a nice day. It's a little bit chilly. Checking my phone every so often. I see everything's fucking flying to the upside. I'm like, nice. And then I check like a half hour and a half later. It's fucking dumped past its original entry point. And I'm like, oh shit. And then in my brain, I'm like, this is gonna be a nothing burger move. And that's exactly what happened. We started here and look where we're at. Same exact price level. It's like this move never happened. And you know how much fucking liquidation probably happened from that? Let's look at the liquidation heat map. Let's go to symbol. Let's go to the 12-hour. Look at that. This is 10 hours ago. This move. Woo! 43 million. 14 million. 42 million. 28 million. 20 million. 16 million. 7 million. 7 million. 21 million. 13 million. 48 million. 50 million. 24 million. And there's more. These are bulls now getting wrecked. 57 million. 35 million. 59 million. 65 million. 30 million. 17 million. 29 million. 48 million. 25 million. 15 million. Look at this. 24. 28. 42. 14. 14. And I don't know. Does this count? 63? Yep. Woo! Okay, so I think about half of that got wiped out. Unless this got wiped out, this 63, and then this 30 was new. Look at that. That is beautiful. And then this right here, 141. Wow. You see what I mean? The bears were shorting. They're like, it's going to go down. Bam. Straight to the upside. Hundreds of millions of dollars liquidated. Bulls are like, huh, dumb bears. Straight to the downside. Probably billions of bulls liquidated. And then again, the bears probably got cocky too. They were like, oh, look at the price go down now. And then, boom, another one straight to the upside. 50 million, 140 million, 24 million, and then 70 million. And then 65 million in bulls. And now we're just chilling. And now everyone's fucking terrified. We do have this down here, though. 141 million in longs liquidated. Or ready to be liquidated. Hopefully we don't get pulled down there. But damn. What a crazy day for liquidations. Wow. See how there's no yellow above us now? The bears got scared. The bulls are getting cocky. I don't know if the bulls just have a exorbitant amount of money, but damn, that was crazy. It's pretty cool to see. Let's go put these liquidation points on our chart. We got 65,559, 65,046. 65,559, 65,046. And then right above us, we got a big one at 67.5 and then another one at 68.1. This one's a good one. I like this one, 67.5. That's brilliant. And then 68.1, right? Double check that. 68. Yep, 68,125. All right. I'll leave those as green. I'll leave those all as green. Crazy, crazy day. We're like almost evenly split on bulls and bears. This is the most like beautiful leverage reset I think I've ever seen play out. It was quick. It was scary. People were probably pissing their pants, crying, calling their moms, asking if they could borrow some cash. It's fucking crazy, guys. What a crazy day. Don't forget to hit that like button on your guys' way in. Appreciate you guys for being here. Let's go through some articles. Bitcoin open interest soars to one-year high as Bitcoin price rallies towards 68K. Demand for leveraged Bitcoin futures jumped to 38 billion, but traders appear well positioned enough to avoid surprise price swings. Demand for futures has jumped to its highest level since last year, cascading liquidations due to unexpected upward or downward price movements, leading to traders to anticipate heightened volatility. Increased volatility often a backward-looking indicator, meaning traders wait for days for strong price movements before adding new positions. This delayed response can explain the rise in leverage use, as participants feel more confident entering trades after observing significant price action. Considering the relatively strong performance, it's understandable why Bitcoin investors have increased their positions through derivatives contracts. Additionally, the recent $810 million in net inflows into the U.S.-listed Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds between October 11th and 14th further fueled the bullish sentiment, signaling increased institutional interest. Let's fucking go. Next article. Crypto market matured dramatically in 2024, according to Coinbase. This is so cute. Look at the pictures. The cryptocurrency market has matured dramatically in 2024 as billions of dollars flow into spot crypto ETFs and transaction volume spikes. From the runaway success of spot ETFs to the spike in on-chain activity to the upswing in trading volumes, it's clear that markets have grown deeper, more liquid, more sophisticated, and more accessible, according to the report, which was created by David Duong, Coinbase's head of institutional research and Glassnode's analyst team. Additionally, the accelerating adoption of stablecoins and a proliferation of Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions reflect the maturation of the market and the broadening of the entire crypto economy, the report said. Very cool. Bitcoin and stablecoin dominance both rose in Q3 as market participants were drawn to the highest quality assets. Nice. Okay, next article. This one, guys, I have an announcement about this next one. This off the grid may be the catalyst for new crypto gaming bull run. Web3 Gamer. Let me check and see if they flagged my stream for that playing the trailer. I don't think they did. But guys, the announcement that goes along with this, when I get all the stuff for my rig, I'm gonna put it all together, and if I put it all together in a reasonable amount of time on Friday, I'm going to live stream off the grid. I'm gonna download this game. I don't even know if I have to download it. I know it's an online game. Probably have to download whatever the fuck, something small, hopefully. And we're gonna play off the grid on our new rig. First game on the new rig is gonna be a crypto game. Let me check really quick. Let's see if I got flagged yesterday. Peter Dell. Good day, JJ. Peter, how you doing, man? How you doing? Welcome. Either Friday or Saturday, we're going to be streaming Off the Grid, which is a crypto game. It is built on, I believe, an Avalanche sidechain. And I don't know if you guys have seen the trailer. It looks amazing. It looks so good. That's going to be exciting. Let's see, is Off the Grid the Axie Infinity of this cycle, or something even more significant? The wild popularity of the early access version has sparked considerable speculation in the crypto community. Gunzilla Games' Off the Grid, a free-to-play third-person battle royale game, just launched an early access release on major gaming consoles, and it's already topped Epic Games' free-to-play game list, ahead of Fortnite and Rocket League. Wow. Avalanche founder Emil Gunn Searer noted that over the first 5 days of release, the game growing at more than 1 million wallets per day and already notched up to 53 million transactions. That's so sick. After years of terrible game releases, the crypto community is speculating that finally having a popular and well-reviewed game that people enjoy playing may trigger the long-anticipated major Web3 gaming boom. Off the Grid may finally be the catalyst we need for a much bigger gaming run, crypto analyst Miles Dusherman said in an October 14th X post. All it takes is one success story to kick off a larger wave. I thoroughly agree. I don't think that we've had any good crypto games, if I'm being totally honest. They've all been like hype, and then they're just kind of meh. This one looks sick. Peter Dell said, here watching from Australia. Very cool, Peter Dell. That's pretty sick, actually. Australians have the coolest accents. Any thoughts, please, on Mantra, Ohm, and Arrow? Let's go take a look at Mantra, Ohm, and Arrow for Peter Dell. It looks like Bitcoin's going up. Mantra, M-A-N-T-R-A. Manta or Mantra? Is that something I'm going to have to find on Dex Screener? Mantra. Okay, Mantra Ohm. Let's look at this one. This is on base. Any thoughts? Let's pull up the RSI. I don't know if you would consider this a meme coin or not. It's got a $1.32 billion market cap. So I don't think that it would be fair to just call it a meme coin right out the gate. That's a pretty hefty market cap, which already makes me feel good about it. Mr. Peter Dell, I do see I want to say bullish div, but it looks like your RSI just keeps bouncing off of the 40 level, which is also, I guess, just as good as bullish div. The price action is going to the upside. The RSI is pretty flat. So I guess if you're looking for something to trade, depending on how you feel about divergence, we've been watching divergence on this channel for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't remember, since I started streaming. And every time there's bullish div in the chart, it like triggers a massive move to the upside. Although there was no divergence here, this thing just exploded. I believe you said it's RWA. What kind of RWA is it? Let's go do some research. Let's see if we can learn some things about this. Security first L1 blockchain for real world assets. Mainnet coming soon. Bringing the world's financial ecosystem on chain. Mantra is a purpose-built real-world asset layer 1 blockchain capable of adherence to real-world regulatory requirements. Permissionless chain for permissionless applications, for builders, for traders. Guard module, leverage verified on-chain users and DApps, powered by digital identities for seamless identity verification across DApps within the IBC. Empowering developers and users, low cost and fast, know your counterparty, application first protocol. Get access to DEXs, yield-bearing vaults, and real-world asset tokenization platforms from day one. Built on a battle-tested chain. Okay, it's built on Cosmos. Or that's what it seems like. We do like Cosmos. Explore applications. Let's see.
So this is a L1, which means there's going to be L2s built on it. Honestly, that alone kind of sounds like a winner. Mainnet's on its way. It's probably going to get a pump from that. There might be a dump after the mainnet goes live because people sell the news. Private credit. PICE tokenizes green real-world assets like renewable energy, electric mobility, and water treatment plants to give investors access to a $2.8 trillion sustainability something. Estate protocol tokenizes real estate and bridges the gap between real-world assets and the digital world through blockchain. Yeah, this is sick. I love this. Honestly, I might buy some of this. I don't know if they're just hitting all the right buzzwords, but it's working. It's working on me. Live on Arbitrum. Okay, so it's kind of multi-chain, it seems. It seems like a multi-chain art real-world asset protocol. What I would call it. Let's see where this one's based on. Okay, this one's just Mantra. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm reading, honestly. For long term, it seems like a win for this cycle. But yeah, definitely keep an eye out for bullish div as well if you're looking for a short-term trade. You said BlackRock has bought some. Okay, then I mean you're probably golden. BlackRock doesn't play around. They also bought Bitcoin. So if BlackRock's buying, I'm buying. Follow the money. Yeah, see, you had a head and shoulders here, and it got invalidated. Just exploded the upside. I don't know if that really counts as a head and shoulders. It's ugly, but it's there. Yeah, this thing's been in an uptrend for forever. And I like it because the RSI is just dancing around in this range. Let's go to the daily. Woo! Okay, it's kind of new, I guess. Wow, those first couple of days went crazy. Okay, so it is oversold. So I guess depending on how you want to play it, just be careful. It could pull back for a little while. It might just chop sideways, though. We're getting ready to enter into a proper bull market, I think. So usually stuff doesn't really care if the RSI is oversold in a proper bull market. I like this, though. Um, I'm adding it to the watch list, actually, because I think it's sick. Let's see, what was the other one you said? Arrow. Arrow is Aerodrome, correct? AERO USDT. Aerodrome Finance. Yep, we've looked at this one a couple of different times, a couple different people, which is good. That means that there's eyes on it. It's got the retail interest. Right away, I see bullish div on higher time frame. Okay, maybe not that high. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go like right here. When you measure bullish div, you can do it whatever way you want. We don't use the candlesticks though, or the wicks. We use the closed candlesticks, which is what Google says to do. But you got price action increasing while RSI is decreasing, so there's bullish div right here specifically, which I guess could have played out with that 3.64% candle. So I guess proceed with caution. But there is a trend here forming, it seems. An aerodrome for the short to mid-term. Higher term, higher time frames. I wouldn't be surprised if this just bull flags out where it's at. There is bearish div on higher time frames though. And again, we are getting ready to enter into a bull market, so it might not give a crap about this either, but above you got price action going up while the RSI is going down. So high time frames, daily, you got bearish div. Low time frames. Bath said, have you tried Galaxy Gas? Bath, not anywhere outside of a dentist's office. Let's see. Peter Dell said, yeah, maybe December will be a high point. That's possible. December or early like Q1 2025. Yes, if you like Solana, there's a coin in the Solana ecosystem called Radium. It's cool, worth a look. Isn't Radium a DEX? We recently started getting into Sol. We're not we're I would say we're blockchain agnostic here at JJ's Crypto Corner. You said radium is the coin? Guys, thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to hit that like button. Mr. Peter Dow showed us some cool stuff. Let's see. But yeah, just be careful with that bearish div on the daily for Aerodrome. Exercise caution. Proceed with caution. Guys, the bull fractal is winning. Again, we did scoot the bull fractal, but we bounced right out of the bathtub and we broke through Bat's resistance lines that he gave us probably like 2 weeks ago. 64.302 or 64.3. Broke right through that. Looks like we came down and retested it, kind of. If we go to the lower time frame, we go to the 15-minute. Our purple midterm upper trend line got retested, turned into support. We got some volatility. We did try to break above that and got rejected. Bears and bulls got liquidated like crazy. We looked at the liquidation heat map. It got spicy as fuck. So much money. In and out on both ends. Bears and bulls are in shambles. And Bitcoin is continuing to do its thing like nobody gives a fuck. Thank you guys for joining. It is a wonderful Tuesday evening. It's Tuesday, right? Wouldn't it be funny if it wasn't Tuesday and I put it in my thumbnail and everything? How'd you guys like the thumbnail today? I was pretty excited about it. I got a skateboarding turtle and Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil's shook because of all of the volatility in the market. Hit that like button, guys. We got a 33% like button ratio right now. Let's go look at some other coins. Bitcoin's pumping. Total 3's pumping. ETH is pumping. Sol is pumping. Oops. ADA's pumping. SNEC's trying. SWI's pumping. Guys, SWI got a bit of a pullback. Honestly, beautiful entry for SWI. If you need exposure and you're trying not to FOMO, I would have bought some here. Personally. Not financial advice. Don't take any advice from me just because I said some words. You guys got to make that decision yourself. I am not responsible for your money. That said, we might not even drain the bathtub. That's disgusting. But also, I believe bathwater is a commodity. I just want a short 69.420 for the culture, to be honest. Peter Delve said, here in Melbourne, Australia, it's 10:42 a.m. Wednesday morning, just before lunch. Venus Crypto. Peter Dell, I'm pretty excited to have a fan in Australia. That's pretty freaking cool. You said Melbourne? I don't even know where that is. Australia to me is just an entire island of like mystery. Venus. You also said Venus Crypto. Any thoughts on Punk Memecoins? Let's go look at some Memecoins, guys. We do like Memecoins. Punk. I believe I can pull this up on TradingView, but I don't know. I feel like I prefer Dex Screener at this point. Memecoins are kind of more fun. Which is like a sin to Bitcoin maxis. Any thoughts on Punk? I mean, it looks good. 211. See, I have a problem personally where once the market cap gets over like 100 million, my brain is like, oh, there's no way this could go any higher. And then you get stuff like WIF and Doge that's like billions of dollars. And I can't even like comprehend that. Where is it? Am I crazy? Where's WIF? Is this the right one? How many WIFs are there? Joseph Green, you said Australia was an island. Thick. Australia is an island. I mean, technically, all like continents are islands, but Australia Let me show you. It's a gigantic island. Look at it. That's an island. Am I crazy? That's a big ass island, bro. Oh, I was gonna guess what the acronyms were. Now they showed me. That's boring. Byron Bay? Is Byron from Australia? We got someone in the Discord named Byron, guys. Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. I think I have ancestors from Papua New Guinea. Auckland. Yeah, New Zealand. All I think of is Lord of the Rings with New Zealand. Let's see. Peter Dell said, the good thing about Ponk, only 555 million coins max circulation compared to the other ones with zillions of coins. Peter Dell, I was harping about inflation like my third or fourth stream, and my big example was Doge, and apparently Doge doesn't have inflation. They have a capped supply just like Bitcoin. So I kind of put my foot in my mouth when it comes to that. But I see what you're saying. A lot of meme coins have high inflation. Bath said Africa's an island too. I agree, Bath. I fully agree. He said Kekek. Let's take a look at Kekek. The Balkan Dwarf. This is on our watch list, guys. It's pulling back again, and I say that with air quotes. It is pulling back because this thing doesn't really pull back. Like, you might get one day where it kind of engulfs, but then it just erases that the following day. But we do have a cute little Batman symbol down here. A little cat. A little Balkan dwarf. And the RSI. I don't know what that means, but it's fun to look at. Peter Dallas said, bonus fun fact, Australia is actually wider than the moon. The moon sits at 3,400 kilometers in diameter, when Australia's diameter from east to west is almost 4,000 kilometers. The moon, as a sphere, has more surface. That's very interesting, Peter Dell. That also kind of goes back to Joseph Green saying thick. Australia is thick, but the moon is also thick. They're thick in different ways. Bathwater said, Island Boys from Sydney. Really? I had no idea. I saw something recently of them interacting with somebody, and it was very, like, it made me respect them. I think it was like somebody brought in like a 17-year-old girl, or maybe she was 19 and she wanted alcohol, and they like brought her over to the house, and the kid was like, wait a minute, how old are you? And she was like 19, and he's like, and you want alcohol? Get out of my house. I was like, oh shit. Okay. Joseph Green said, that's batshit crazy fact. We do batshit crazy facts over here at JJsCrypticCorner. Do you guys, Peter, if you don't mind, do you guys have any cryptids in Australia? You gotta have some kind of chupacabra or something cool over there, right? You guys got a skunk ape or some form of Sasquatch? Something cool. I'm sure you guys got a lot of waterborne, because you're fully surrounded by the ocean. A lot of waterborne cryptids. Joseph Green, Peter Dell said, I'm going to smash Ponk in 2 days once it retraces. Hell yeah. Joseph Green said, but not as thick as you. Of course, of course. Bat said, OGSM on ETH. Lolcow plus meme combo. Okay, let's go look at OGSM. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. I appreciate you for being here. If you are new, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. OGSM on ETH. $2 million market cap. Bath, how come none of my micro cap meme coins get up to 2 million? Do I have to wait for this? Where it pumps, dumps, kind of peters out, and then explodes? Is that what I have to wait for? Am I impatient? Just kidding, JJ, you're cool. Joseph Green, we can be cool and thick at the same time. Why can't we be both? Fahid said, like the stream and subscribe. Peter Dell said, I did do drone footage of the coastline of Australia. That's pretty sick. Has 10 most deadliest snakes in the world. See, I'm looking for like the possibly fiction, possibly stranger than fiction Australian cryptids. I know you guys got a lot of real life scary things, but what about the ones that like hide in the shadows? The Sasquatches. Maybe you guys have a giant earthworm that like lives underneath the surface or some crap. I'm from Michigan, and we have the Dog Man. There's also apparently a Frog Man. The Frog Man is kind of new to me, and I think it's kind of dumb, but I'd love to learn more about it. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's look at this coin from Bath. We're on the daily. I mean, it's definitely going up. Is this gonna form one of those harmonics though? Right now, it's kind of an uptrend. What is it gonna do? It's gonna do the harmonic thing where it goes like this, and you're supposed to draw these other lines. I don't know. I'm still the harmonics. I'm still trying to learn. Peter Dell said, "Will our man Trump win?" Peter Dell, I'm not sure. I do not know. We try to stay away from politics. But the election year, regardless of who wins, I do believe that we will pump. I'm sure one party will pump the market more than the other, but historically, it doesn't really matter who wins. The market pumps regardless every election year. So that's what we're looking forward to. Joseph Green said another Aussie fun fact: the word selfie started in Australia. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we got Frogman. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a giant frog. I don't know if it's a giant dude with like a frog face. I have no clue. It's like the lamest cryptid in the world. Frogman. There are some though that just kind of look like dolphins or something. Like everyone wants to copy Sasquatch, and everyone wants to copy the Loch Ness monster. They're like, we have our own Loch Ness monster, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Why don't you get your own cryptid though? Like there's Fresno Nightcrawlers. There's the Michigan Dogman. There's a Chupacabra. There's a Jersey Devil. Everyone's got their own unique one. And then there's like a bunch of states in like the northwest of the United States, and they're like, we have like a a version of the Loch Ness monster. Like they got lazy. They're like, we couldn't come up with anything cool, so we just the Loch Ness monster swims over here every once in a while from some mysterious underground lake. Let's see. Swee's making its recovery. C. Cass. I really want to see Cass start to do something. I know it had like a huge pump before, like way before the bull market even like was thought of, but it's been doing nothing ever since. Look at this. It's pretty much been the same price since like November, since like a year ago. This is crazy. Like it's been some variation of 13 cents. Chainlink looks great. I think Chainlink had bullish div here too. Yes, it did. No, it did not. I lied. Forget I said that. Polkadot. Polkadot's still kind of depressing. Hopefully it becomes less depressing as time goes on. I guess it is up 10% though from the lows here. So that's good. Doge, kind of equally depressing. Let's see, Bath said the Virginia Beach Dick Yeller. That sounds disgusting and terrifying. Joseph Green, I visited Loch Ness last year. It's a huge lake. That's pretty cool. Joseph Green, have you ever been to Michigan? Michigan is home to the largest bodies of fresh water in the world, and somehow we cannot get clean drinking water to our residents. Peter Dell, we had the Tasmanian tiger, but extinct. That is a cool one. I believe, wasn't that originally a cryptid? They were like, this existed, and people were like, I'm not so sure it did. And then they found out that it actually was real once upon a time. Also known as thylacine, is extinct, and reports of its survival are greatly exaggerated. The last known one died in 1936 at the Hobart Zoo. However, there have been thousands of reported sightings of the animal in Tasmania and mainland Australia since then. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if these things like still were alive and just hiding from people because people kind of suck. I mean, we're discovering like new species every day. So nothing's really surprising at this point. It kind of blows my mind when people are like, what? That's crazy. Like, the planet's huge. There's people, like, looking around every corner at all times. Polygon, man. This thing's also somewhat depressing. They've changed their names so many times that people don't even know what to look for or where to buy them anymore. It's ridiculous. It's literally like a criminal with multiple aliases. Polygon or Matic or Pole or whatever we're supposed to call it now. It changes their name so many times. And people don't know what to buy anymore. Near, I'm super excited for Near. This thing went from like $1 to $5 out of nowhere, and it's just been $5 ever since. Chili's is blowing up for our main man Hops. Let's see. What are your thoughts on Popcat? Peter Dell. Popcat is a top tier blue chip meme. I think memes are going to be a lot more prevalent this cycle. They already are. And I think people are underestimating them even still. All the snooty I'm in it for the tech people are reluctant to get into memes, but this thing's sitting at $1.25 billion market cap. Meanwhile, like the most technologically advanced, greatest project in the world that's gonna like solve world hunger and like prevent World War III has like maybe a $50 million market cap. Pretty sure memes have a better chance of creating world peace than anything else. It's what the internet was created for. There's a clear uptrend. That's what I see, but it's also kind of a double top right now. So I'd be careful. We're in the 15-minute. Let's look at the RSI. Ooh, I like where the RSI is sitting at right now. That's on the 15-minute though. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, this thing's just going nuts. I don't know. This is one of those memes where I can do TA on it until I'm blue in the face, but it's probably going to just disregard whatever I say, and it's just going to keep going up because people love it. It's pretty fucking cute. Like, I'm not going to lie. The meme, it's a good meme. Popcat, the cat that pops, now popping on the Solana blockchain. Like, if it's a good meme and the community's behind it for $1.26 billion already, I feel like the potential is just endless. But it is a high market cap, so exercise caution. Joseph Green said, I would love to go there. We'll go maybe next year when we do USA coast to coast. Coast to coast USA would be so much fun. I went to Wyoming when I was a kid, and we took an RV out there, and it was amazing. And I grew up, we'd go to New Hampshire every summer on vacation. But coast to coast, like road trip, like a several week long road trip in the US, sounds like the funnest time in the world. Bahid said 700 miles beneath is the fifth ocean, right? Honestly, the idea of like stuff living below the surface of the earth, everyone thinks it's like the most far-fetched like conspiracy theory thing, but why? Like we pump oil out of gigantic reservoirs in the planet. We drill wells for water out of gigantic reservoirs in the planet. Why can't there be like civilizations down there that we don't know about? I don't see how that's crazy. That said, cryptids aren't even scary anymore. It's tweakers you gotta look out for. It really is. It really is. I think one of my favorite memes that I've seen recently is it was just a picture of a crackhead on a bike, and it said, "You don't even see kids riding their bikes outside anymore. Just tweakers." And I was like, "Oh shit, that's true." Joseph Green said, another fun fact, I talked to a guy in Brazil this year. He works in blockchain, and he said Link has a fatal flaw in its code. Joseph Green, I don't know if I buy that. Like, that's crazy, but people have also been saying that Tether is going to rug any second. And the only reason I guess why I'm going to stick up for Chainlink is because I come from Cardano, and Cardano has a bunch of algorithmic stablecoins and a bunch of oracles. And every single oracle that has been used for these algorithmic stablecoins, there's something wrong, and the stablecoin depegs. And then everyone's like, why is there no good stablecoin? And it's because we're not using the only reliable oracle in crypto, which is Chainlink. Everyone that uses Chainlink has zero problems. anyone that uses anything else has a million problems. So as a Cardano person that has seen other oracles in action, I'm kind of a Chainlink loyalist. But I hope that there's nothing flawed with their code, because that would suck. That would be a really big deal. Peter Dell said, it's driven me bonkers lately. I'm in my first crypto season. I usually trade shares and stocks. This to me is madness. Peter Dell, it really is. Especially earlier today. This is the first pretty good taste of volatility that we've had in quite some time. And a lot of people got liquidated during this. And it was pretty crazy. I didn't get to watch it live. I work at 9 to 5, but I opened up my phone. I saw us pumping like crazy up here. I was like, that's cool. And then I opened up my phone like an hour later and I saw it dumped, and I was like, oh shit. It came right back up, came right back down, and then it like, look at the liquidation heat map. We read off all of these earlier. There was like hundreds of millions, probably billions of dollars in longs liquidated, hundreds of millions in shorts, and then again longs liquidated and shorts, and now we kind of calmed down, but so much money got taken out of leverage positions, and it's kind of crazy to watch. The volatility is what you should expect the most of during the bull market. It gets crazy, and the new people freak out. I was one of the new people last cycle, and I vividly remember like going into the Discord whenever moves like this would happen. I would go into the Discord, freak out. I'm typing to everyone. I'm like, oh my gosh, what the fuck is happening? Why is the market dumping so? And then it would go right back up, and it comes down here, and you're trying to revenge short, and then it just spikes right back up and liquidates you, and then you end up with hundreds of millions of dollars in liquidations on both ends, which could be the same people multiple times trying to revenge trade. So you definitely got to control your emotion. You can't force trades, and definitely don't play with more money than you can afford to lose. But other than that, it's a fun time. Highly recommend sticking around. If you have a Discord, there's a Discord link in the description. A lot of cool people in there. A lot of good advice. It's like one big crypto family. Bat said Zeta ripping right now. Joseph Green said Popcat is a cult. Joseph Green, I'm pretty sure every single meme coin is a cult. You gotta find the good ones though. The ones that are like super extra culty, because they won't fucking sell their bags. They'll like die with their bags packed, which is what you want, because you want to sell your bags to those people. Fahid said we've seen UAPs come out of our ocean. Fahid, that's what I'm saying. Like it's just, there's probably cities in the ocean. There's probably like access points in the ocean to get to the underground cave systems. I don't know. It's my brain. There's too many possibilities. There's too many unknown factors. Peter said Punk has half the max coins and 1/3 market cap of Popcat, and great community. It's humans we have to fear, not nature and animals. Peter Dell, welcome to the real world. Maybe I'm wrong, but I put my neck on the chopping block and say Eero will have bigger market cap than Jupiter. Fahid said green up, shorts liquidated, red down, longs liquidated. Talk about the liquidation heat map. Yeah, we read all of that. It got crazy. Peter Dahl said, if Eero and Mantra don't do 10 to 15x this bull run, I will be a monkey's uncle. Bath said the majority of participants lose. Good luck, player. Honestly, holding is probably your best bet. Holding spot. Like you said, 10 to 15x. Just be patient. If you believe in the project, that's the best thing that you can do, is believe in the thing that you're investing in. Make the decisions yourself. Don't rely on what other people say, because the second you can blame somebody else for any mistakes that could happen, that's when you start to fail. But the biggest thing that I learned, don't use emotions, don't revenge trade, and the number one thing that everyone told me, and this is probably more recent, maybe 2 years ago, is do not force trades. If you are trading and you cannot find a trade, don't just open one. Like, you don't always need to be in a trade. Sometimes you know, just step away. Don't look at the charts. Go watch a movie, have a drink, go fucking swimming or something, take a bath, go for a walk. You don't need to live in the charts 24 hours a day. Crypto's not going anywhere. The money's going to be there tomorrow. Everything's going to be okay. That said, setting targets and stop loss, even for spot, can be a great help. Teach you how to grow an account without sitting through downtrend. Exactly. And another big thing, Frankie Candles was talking about this. I've never watched this guy. I turned him on for the first time like 2-3 days ago, and he was talking about this, and I was like, this is great advice. You have to learn to take profit. It doesn't matter what dollar amount it is. It's like the percentage amount that's important. If you're trading with $100 and you make $5 profit, but you're too embarrassed about the small, like, what's $5? You're too embarrassed to take profit, then you're not going to be able to take a $500 profit on a $1,000 or a $10,000 trade. Those are both 5% trades. If you can't take 5% on your $100 trade, you're not going to be able to take 5% on the $10,000 trade. You got to be able to take profits. And don't worry about what other people think. Peter Dell, hopefully we have a Santa rally and December will be huge. That's what I'm kind of excited for. We actually have a Christmas themed altcoin from BNB. It's an old school one called Santa Coin. And it seems to pop every November, actually. We've been keeping an eye on this. So when it launched, it obviously had a huge run. And then October 2022, October 24th, 30%. November or December, early December, couple of green candles. That one's 50%. Back here, okay, maybe it's December. I thought it was November. May, June, July, August, September, October. So maybe November is the time to buy. I don't know. There doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to it. I remember it being a little more reliable than that. This is just kind of a messy, nothing burger chart. But who knows? Maybe it'll go crazy this time. Peter Dell, yes, indeed. Sometimes forget of the charts and prices for a day or two. Take a spell. Sometimes that's what you need too. Like, I get into funks where I can't trade for shit, and then I take a break for a day or two. I come back to it, and I'm like a legend. I don't know if it like resets your brain. It like resets all the biases, all the negative energy goes away, and then you're good to go. You're like fresh. All right, let's take a look at our memes. Nothing looks super green. Klaus, I don't remember who it was. Somebody yesterday told us that they got into Klaus, and it looks like it's gone up, which is pretty sick. Yeah, we were looking at it back here. Whoa, was it Anderson? What is that? 238%. That's pretty sick. Whoever that was, congratulations. Bat said, stay safe out there, Peter. He said, it's just after 11 a.m. Must get out and get some shopping time before lunch. Been great chatting. Until we meet again, best wishes to everyone. Stay safe and well. Take it easy, Peter. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bahid said, I want a Halloween rally first, then a Thanksgiving rally, and a Black Friday rally, then Santa rally. No, wait, Black Friday should be a sale, LMAO. Fahid, we need a Black Friday fire sale and then a Cyber Monday rally. That's what we need, because I need I need some gains to get my Christmas shopping done on Cyber Monday. That said, Rosh Hashanah rally, baby. I don't know what that means. Fahid said Hanukkah rally, L'chaim. What would you guys do if I told you I was Jewish? Could be. Nobody knows. Used car is up 26% on the 24-hour. Klaus is up 164% in the past 24 hours. Dark Magician Girl's pumping. Let's fucking go. Wow. Wow, guys. We're going to be able to retire. Look at that. A 15% candle on Dark Magician Girl. Retirement, here we come. We are down. We're only down 63%. That said, our election results read on the 5th? I'm not sure, actually. Fahid, Cyber Monday. What's wrong with Cyber Monday? Don't judge me, Canadian. When do they read election results? On election night. No shit, dumbass. That's not what I meant. That's the most smart-ass question I've ever, or the most smart-ass answer I've ever received from Google. Where's my AI answer? What day do they read the United States election results? Oh my gosh. November 5th. There you go. Before Tuesday. When polling stations open, several Americans... Okay. I guess that's what you get. November 5th. Dark Magician Girl hopefully will pump and we can retire. I wouldn't do anything. I'd say... Okay. Clearly, you can tell that I'm not Jewish because I don't know what you just said. What if I read that perfectly, though? Beth said... Bahid said, just the idea of a Black Friday dump and a Cyber Monday pump makes me laugh. Bahid, that's what happens, man. I swear. It's usually a Sunday dump, and then Monday's fine. Like, it resets everything. Unverified said, when Obama. Matt said, if Obama wins, we're all getting rich. Just have fun said, yo, what's going on, guys? It is Thursday. It's Tuesday. It's not Thursday. It's not Thursday yet. It's Tuesday night, 8 p.m. We totally fudged the daily close. It's okay, though. It doesn't look like it did anything. Let's go look at the daily. Yeah. Number go up. Daily close, good. Green candle, yes. We like green candle. That means number go up. The bull fractal is winning. The bull fractal is winning. We got 8 people watching. Guys, hit the like button on your way in. I appreciate you for being here. We are at 104 subscribers. I do have to update our boards really quick. Let me show this. Another thing, announcement, guys, on either Friday or Saturday, I'm going to be streaming Off the Grid. That is the Avalanche-based MMO. Is it an MMO RPG? I don't know. It's a first-person shooter. It's online, and it's built on top of Avalanche, or it's built on a layer 2 on Avalanche. It's going to be exciting. Make sure you guys show up for that stream. It's going to be fucking fun. I'm very new to like computer gaming, so I'm gonna get my ass handed to me non-stop. The Heat said Bat probably means the Obama indicator. Bat said I tabled the Obama indicator after 2 years of work. Bat, that's how I feel about my very large bags. My nondescript bags. I'm not going to name the coin, but you guys are fully aware of it. I wouldn't say I tabled it, but I just kind of stopped giving a shit. And it's been lovely. It really has. I've purchased Solana, and I've made a bunch of money on Memecoins on Sol. Look at this. Look at Popo. Popo's going crazy. I love this little rock. Is it a rock? Is it a frog? I don't know. But it's on Sol, and it's up 90%. I haven't even looked at my bags. Let's go look at our bags. One of these days, I'm going to accidentally reveal my password, which I don't think that's even going to do anything. Very nice. Let's fucking go. This is sick, guys. I like this a lot. I did get into Flying Spaghetti Monster because they're pumping, and I didn't realize, but they do like charity work. Once they hit, I don't remember, it was like 1 million market cap or something like that. Then they donated a bunch of spaghetti dinners to like a homeless shelter or something like that. Unverified. What does Bitcoin dominance look like today? Probably pretty up there. Let's go take a look really quick. Let me add this back to our watch list. Get this closed. Yeah, Flying Spaghetti Monster, guys. Flying Spaghetti Monster is going fucking crazy. Let's fucking go. If you go buy this, I believe every milestone they donate money to the homeless shelter, so it does actually help. Bitcoin dominance. It got a little pumpy today. It really did. We got a 0.97% candle on Bitcoin dominance today. Hopefully, that can just go away because I'm so sick of hearing Ben Cowan act like he knows everything. I'm just fucking around. Ben Cowan, if you would like the interview, I would love to interview on my channel and pick your brain a little bit and ask you, I guess, why why you're such a cocky asshole. I'm sorry. I told somebody that I wouldn't talk shit about people. I can't help it sometimes. Really quick, let's go to the daily so that I can show off the bull fractal because it's winning. I think I said that already. I did guess that Thursday we're gonna get our upper trend line break. Totally guessing. I don't remember why I guessed that. There was a reason. It was very early in the stream. You guys will have to go back and watch if you care. We got 7 people, guys. Hit the like button. We are at 104 subscribers. That's very, very cool. If we reach 600, I'm doing a face reveal. And I'm currently in preparation for that face reveal. I'm purchasing stuff to make a fun video to kind of tease the face reveal. And then I'm also planning on making just a regular video of the face reveal. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm trying to be vague. It's gonna be funny. Hopefully the end result is funny. Otherwise, I'll play it anyway so that you guys can cringe with it with me. It's gonna be a fun time. Fahid said, did we see Apu? No, we did not. Let's go look at Apu for Fahid. Apu. Isn't this the monkey's name from Aladdin? Aha, it is. Oh, Abu. Damn. Is that is that racist? Who's Apu? I swear his name was Apu. No. Ooh, this is the most fugly stuffed animal I've ever seen. Apu, Fahid, I believe you said you sold, which was a great call. Unless you sold down here. But that was yesterday's candle. I believe you sold up here. I think you sold the top, Fahid. That's what it looks like to me. Which is a pretty sick move. Apu is taking Apu. That's what we like to see when our friends take profits. Damn. 4 hour. There is bullish div on the 4 hour. Do with that what you will. It's very dramatic bullish div. So that's there. Volume still looks halfway decent. I like it. I like it. I like what I see. The daily, not quite bullish div. Is there? Maybe there is. You know what? I think there is bullish div on the daily as well. Look at that. Very nice. It starts here on the daily. So you got bullish div on the daily and the 4 hour. Let's go see if it's on the 1 hour. I mean, I guess, yeah, technically. Well, it's pretty... It is also on the 1 hour. There's bullish div everywhere, apparently, on this thing. Might be a buy. I don't know. If you believe in bullish divergence that strongly, then I would definitely think about it. I do also, on the 1 hour, see a little funky little inverse head and shoulders. So that's probably on the 15-minute. Yeah, it's kind of there. I don't like it when the head looks like this, though. Maybe it's a Batman. Inverse Batman? Oh, shit. That's exactly what it is, guys. Whoa. Inverse Batman. What does that do? That's 100% what that is, guys. Pretty cool. What's Moonshot? I haven't heard of Moonshot. Go take a look at Bitcoin again. 4 hour. Looks lovely. Looks beautiful. I like that candle close as well. Is that a doji or is there not enough? Let's do doji education once more. A recurrent segment on the channel because JJ can't remember shit. High price, open and close, low price, dragonfly doji. What does dragonfly doji mean? Possible price reversal. That's not good. What if it's at the top? Potential reversal, T-shaped, open and close. What does it mean? In either direction. Uh-oh. Okay, I don't like that. Never mind. Never mind. Forget we forget we looked that one up. I guess it's only on the 4 hour though, so we can get a little pullback in Bitcoin. That's okay. Total 3 looks good. I don't like that big wick right there. Is that where that volatility happened though? Yes, it is. Yes, it very much is. ETH and Sol and ADA. Everything looks fine. Everything is awesome. All right, let's go look at some more articles. We got people saying off the grid is going to finally trigger the crypto gaming thing, which I could see that happening because the previous crypto games kind of sucked. So the first one that comes out that's actually good, isn't it a hammer? I think it is a hammer. Which is apparently bullish. But it's also apparently by definition dragonfly doji. I don't know. We're all learning together. Let's go read an article. Bitcoin price focus shifts to 69K as Bitcoin challenges 8-month downtrend. Ooh, look at that. Sees highest level since July. Market structure and trends still looks decent towards the upside. Popular trader and analyst Skew wrote part of his latest market review on X. Skew argued that the rebound would be sustained if a higher high was needed above 69K, the site of the 2021 peak. Higher high above 69K would then lead into higher time frame structure shifts playing out. Okay, so we want to see a close above 69K. Hopefully we get that on Thursday. Let's go to the next one. Natural disasters wreck fintech infrastructure, proving cash is still king. Although, if there was infrastructure for crypto, or better infrastructure for crypto, the natural disasters wouldn't do shit. We'd still be able to transact in crypto. So, get fucked, cash. Ethereum price shows strength, but a 23% drop in DApp activity raises concern. I wasn't going to get into the nitty gritty of this one, but I was just going to point out there's been a 25% decline in centralized exchange trading, and now apparently a 23% decline in specifically ETH DApps. I don't know if that's just these DApps dying and fizzling out or people moving into other ecosystems, but I know Solana's huge now, and I know Sui and Aptos are both being talked about in the same light as Sol. So it would not surprise me if this 23% has been evenly distributed amongst those 3 layer 1s. Just saying. Total speculation, but I've been hearing a lot of people talking about those 3 blockchains, and no one's really talking about ETH anymore. This one was exciting. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink declares Bitcoin as an asset class comparable to gold. We believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself. It is an alternative to other commodities like gold. the 71-year-old said during the call, highlighting that BlackRock is discussing potential allocations with global institutions. Fink also stressed that the future success of digital assets will not rely solely on regulation. He claimed that liquidity and transparency will be more crucial in determining the market's evolution. The CEO compared the current landscape of virtual assets to the $11 trillion mortgage market. He noted that crypto is still in its infancy but could experience similar growth as better data and analytics become available. That's pretty sick. We've seen this before with the mortgage and high yield markets. It started slow, but as better analytics and data were introduced, the market gained broader acceptance. That's awesome. Next, this one was interesting. Apparently, Tesla transferred $760 million of its Bitcoin to unknown wallets. So we don't know if they're transferring them to unknown wallets. It doesn't specify that they were exchange wallets, so I'm not sure what is being done. The funds were moved to unknown wallets. Tesla is the fourth biggest Bitcoin holder among publicly traded companies. Wallets associated with the electric car manufacturer on Tuesday moved more than 11,500 Bitcoin to wallets whose ownership is unknown, according to crypto data firm Arkham Intelligence. The Tesla wallets only retain about $6.65 worth of Bitcoin, essentially nothing. Tesla is the fourth biggest holder of Bitcoin among publicly traded companies per Bitcoin Treasuries. Only software company MicroStrategy and Bitcoin mining firms Mara Holdings and Riot Platforms have larger stockpiles. Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in February of 2021 and at some point owned as much as $2.5 billion, according to Arkham. However, the firm sold 75% of its holdings in early 2022 at a loss when Arkham Intelligence added the car marker's Bitcoin wallet tracking feature to its dashboard in March. It held about 11,509 Bitcoin worth roughly $770 million. Musk announced that the company would soon accept Bitcoin payments, but the plans were dropped shortly after due to environmental concerns, which is bullshit. Some of his companies, including Tesla and SpaceX, hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets. It's unclear how much owner believes the cryptocurrency himself. He has a soft spot for Doge, and that's it. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map. Okay. Still got a big one at 65.46 and 65.559. And then 67.5 and then 68.125. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking good, guys. It's looking good. I can't believe Flying Spaghetti Monster's going crazy like this. $1.2 million market cap. That's pretty cool. Used car. Guys, our Memecoin portfolio is doing surprisingly well. I'm scared to look at Splo. Oh no. That's okay. I believe in this coin. I feel like it could go to like 50 million easily. I did join the Telegram. Hoff said, yo, I'm live from the Red Roof Inn. Hoffs, that's pretty sick. How was the free continental breakfast? Red Roof Inn. Interesting. Hoffs, I don't know if you heard, on Friday or Saturday, whichever day I get my computer built, we're going to be streaming off the grid live probably most of the day. Because it's a blockchain game and we want to support blockchain. But also I just want to test out my new computer because I spent way too much money on that GPU. Beans have finally Hops figured out the Wi-Fi after 4 hours. The password, what was the password at the Red Roof Inn? It was probably like What would it be? It would be something really lame. Like Red Roof 1. Or like Retired and Happy or something. Something lame. Something like corny. Whoever made it thinks that they're a genius. They're like, this is the best Wi-Fi password ever. Guys, I'm gonna step away for 20 seconds. Start the countdown. Okay, I'm back. Was it 20 seconds? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? No way. Woo! I almost ate shit in the hallway. I tried to run back here within the 20 seconds. All right. What do you guys got for us to look at? Let's go look at some meme coins. Splow's a little bit down, but everything else is doing really, really good today. I think Anderson said he got in a cheese ball. Well, it looks like it's actually recovering. 16% 2 days ago. Popo looks wonderful. Very excited about Popo. Lock in. Honestly. $68 million market cap. Damn. So we should probably take some profits on some of our coins and rotate them into lock-in when lock-in reaches our target of 2 cents, based on what Bath told us. We got used car is up how much? Is 78%? Do we think that this can go higher? I mean, it could definitely go higher, but will it is the question. We're at $9. The entire portfolio is up 46%. That's pretty sick. Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. This one makes me very happy. 433%. I think we missed the majority of this. Yeah, I think if anything we're up 100%. I don't know how accurate this is. It says we're up. So yeah, that'd be 100%. I think that's right. We had like $4. Hop said, I hate having all my crap scattered between storage and a hotel. I went back and got my Xbox because the cable doesn't even work here. I had to have something. I mean, if you got the Xbox and Wi-Fi, then you're good to go. You should get yourself a nice laptop, Hops. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Let's see. We looked at Dark Magician Girl already. It was getting pumpy for a minute. I don't know if this one's going to do anything. I hope it does, but if it doesn't, then so be it. How much of this do we own? $8? Shoot. I could get out of it right now, but I feel like that's such a bad idea. Because if it explodes, I'm going to be pissed. And then we looked at Apu for... What's going on, Drew? How you doing? Happy Tuesday. I keep thinking it's Thursday for some reason. Alright, let's see. Splo, we know, is down a little bit. Fungi this is a Murad coin that he's been holding for quite a while. You might want to get some of this. 5.5 mil market cap. It did retrace quite a bit. Let's look at the RSI. 15-minute, 4-hour. Okay. Daily. Daily? Yep. Okay, so daily, it's only retraced one day and it's only gone down 29%. Pop said, "Yeah, I do at my laptop. Have my laptop." Okay. What do you plan on your Xbox? Drew, I gotta tell Drew, Spo got wrecked today. It didn't really get wrecked. It went down, but I wouldn't say it got wrecked. It's just down. Popo's doing great though. Did you see Popo, Drew? Splo is down 16%. A little bit more than that. Splo is down about 20% from our entry. But Popo is doing great. Look at Popo. Do we sell this? I'm up $10 on Popo. Do I sell?
You're up?
$10.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
Is it going down?
It's a meme. I'm gonna leave it.
Okay.
I
just wanted to let you know we're home.
Okay.
Let me know when you're done.
Okay. Drew, I wanted to tell you, on either Friday or Saturday, when I build my computer, we're going to be streaming Off the Grid, which is the Avalanche-based PvP shooter. The online player versus player. What do you fucking call that? It is a battle royale game. There we go. We are going to be playing Off the Grid. It's free to play. I think I just Googled this, so I don't know why I'm doing it again. We watched the trailer, I think, yesterday. And I guess the closest I've ever gotten to a battle royale game is DayZ, which is very chill. Like, worst case scenario, somebody shoots you in the back and you die instantly. So, conflict, like person-to-person conflict, is very foreign to me. So it should be a fun time. It'll be funny. But please join. Definitely join. I'm gonna be away from internet Saturday, Sunday, climbing trip. Okay, well, I mean, if we're doing it on Friday, then tune in on Friday. Otherwise, you can catch up later. If it's any good, then we'll probably play it more than once. But we are definitely going to be playing some games with the new computer, which I'm very excited about. Let's see. Yeah, Splo is down 25% in the last 24 hours. Dark Magician Girl is down. Flying Spaghetti Monster's up 100%. There's a old Murad tweet about Flying Spaghetti Monster. So this thing could reach all-time highs. 39, which is what? Almost a 4x. Yeah, I'm holding on to this. What do we get if we get a 4x? We are at 8 times 4, 32. We're going to have 32 bucks. Drew said Friday works for me, and we'll see. We'll see what we got. Going to Crease Zone for some multi-pitch. Very cool. Guys, Drew is our resident outdoorsman. Out of all of the people that attend the streams, I think he's the only person that spends time outside. So he spends enough time outside for all of us. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna hold on to my Popo. I'm not gonna sell. I've committed to him for this long. I don't even remember when we bought him. It was maybe, I know it went down after we bought him, so it's probably right here. 2 days ago? Or it could have been 3 days ago on the 12th. All of those are possible. But he's pretty fucking cute. Only $1 million market cap. I could see this thing going to... what? If it goes to 2, then we'll have 70 bucks, which is pretty crazy. It's a pretty good profit. I'm holding till $2 million market cap. Let's go shill some Popo really quick on Twitter. Hell yeah. Popo is literally inevitable. Popo for the people. Diamond Popo. G Popo. I already shared that. My bad. Popo. Popo.
Popo. Okay, that's it. That's enough. You bought in for the vibes, but it turns out to be a moon bag. Coin market cap, POV. Oh shit! They literally just shared the little cute little picture. Interesting. Is that an actual frog? I really gotta know. I think it's a rock, but I can't tell. Guys, I found a turtle today. I have to upload it to YouTube so that everyone can see. The cutest little turtle. He literally had a fucking snail friend. You know what? I'm gonna just post it on Twitter really quick, just the picture that I have. Because I gotta show you. I gotta show you guys. It's the cutest thing. Do. Bitcoin's coming back up. Very cool. What a 15-minute. Hell yeah. What do we got? I'll save you all the grid goes down. If the grid goes down. Drew, Fahid, that's like the heist episode 2 or whatever. Or maybe the prequel. No, it can't be a prequel. It would have to be a sequel set like 10 years in the future where the grid goes down and Drew hikes across country to like gather us all for one last job to like rob the seed vault or something because they're hoarding the seeds and they won't let us repopulate the earth or some crap. I think you could do it. I think you are the only one that could do it, as a matter of fact. Alright, guys. I'm actively editing the photo. Bear with me. It's worth it, I promise. It's literally a turtle with a snail friend. Okay, I'm going to Twitter. I would have a snail friend if I were a turtle. What, right? It sounds like the most peaceful life ever. Oh man, there was a really funny meme and I don't think I clicked on it. Dang it. Where'd my meme go? Guys, I missed a funny meme. I hope I see it later. That's so sad when you miss a meme. Damn. It's the one that got away. I'm never gonna see that meme again. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, let's go really quick. Guys, I give you refreshments. One last microcap trade. I give you... Where the fuck is it? How long does it take to upload? I give you... Turtle. Look at, he literally has a little snail friend. Dang it, this is the worst fucking picture. Alright, I'm gonna upload a video later of it. Because the snail was like gooping around. I don't know if you can't really see it. I don't know. I was so excited. I picked him up and I saw the little snail. I was like, what is that? I was freaking out. Hold on, I might be able to get a better picture. I got a better picture. Let's go. Oh yeah, did you guys see the thumbnail? With the skateboarding turtle? Oh, that was pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of the skateboarding turtle, honestly. All right, I have replied to this post. Let's see when it shows up. Holy crap. Okay, there it is. Look at him. Look at how cool he is. Come on. That's the coolest shit I've ever seen in my entire life. A turtle with a snail friend. Come on. I'm going to like my own post. I'm that guy. It's freaking adorable. How are you not freaking out over the turtle with the snail friend? It's bringing more viewers to the channel. We're at 9 right now, guys. Look at the turtle with the snail friend. Look at the turtle. Look at the snail friend. Turtle. There's a snail friend. Come on. That's the coolest thing anyone has ever seen. Ever. Fucking turtle with a snail friend. Let's see. Drew said one last meme coin trade. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh! Damn. I don't think she's okay. She should totally go to the hospital. That's fucked up. So we do have memes to look at. Not meme coins, just regular memes. But Drew said one last meme coin trade, so let's do it. Drew said, what is viewer all-time high? Concurrent? I don't actually know. I think it was during the 12-hour. Let me see if I can find out. I'm sure I can check. I haven't really delved into the analytics portion of YouTube at all. I did just get a text from them, though. Yeah, I haven't looked at this yet. Ooh, 4.9 thousand people tuned in last week. People found me from Shorts, people found me from YouTube Search, and people found me from YouTube Home. A lot of my Shorts did really good. The second most popular location people are watching from, I got Canada, United States, or Germany. I'm going to go Canada. Oh, I was right. Let's go. 5% views from here in the last 90 days. Your most popular location is the United States. Check back next week. That was fun. Okay, let's see. Analytics. Actually, I can do that. I can do that on here. Let's just do it here. I'm going to do it on stream, live and in person. Go to your channel. Manage videos. Analytics. Concurrent. Let's see. Guys, we're at 105 subscribers. That's pretty sick. Any new subscribers? Thank you for joining. You guys are awesome. How do I check views? Let me see if I can look. Can I see all-time high concurrent views? YouTube. Audience section, high-level stats. Okay, so if I click on audience, right here. So 15, 32. These are returning viewers. I guess 71? It doesn't really show me the concurrent views though. Concurrent is like anyone watching at any one time. You got 101 there. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll have to look at that. I like that I like that they're so blunt. Nobody watches or everybody watches. Those are your two options. There's like no in between. That's pretty funny. This is exciting. Not subscribed being majority of the people. I think that that's what I need is not subscribers to watch a good chunk of my content. 10% are female. Thank you, 10% females. I do not know how to check concurrent. That's very interesting. Fahid said 12-hour stream must have been the all-time high. That's what I'm thinking too. If I go to content and I go to live and I go, oh, I'm live right now. Interesting.
Wow.
I didn't think that was gonna be up there. Analytics, and then I go to since uploaded, 101 views. Since it was uploaded, 93 the day that it happened. So 93 has to be the all-time high, I would assume. Engagement, 68 watch time hours. That's pretty exciting. Guys, we need watch time hours to what's it called? To monetize. So if if you're ever bored and or leaving the house or something and you're leaving the computer on, turn on one of my old streams. Get those watch time hours up. Cuz then we can start collecting revenue from advertisements and stuff. We are, I mean, we're pretty close. We're 10% of the way for ad sharing as far as subscribers go. For watch time hours, though, we're like way far off. But for memberships and super chats and stuff, and I believe I can link my store, we just need 500 subs and 3,000 watch time hours. So, shield the stream. I appreciate you guys for being here. It's all one big crypto family. Bitcoin's looking great. Key technical indicators suggest Bitcoin price could... Where did the article... I hate it when that happens. The article just disappears when you click on it. Oh yeah, we have memes to look at. Regular memes. Are we going to pick a meme coin? Let's do that. Sort by volume. Gotius Maximus is up another 35% today. Medusa's up 67% today. Megs is up 73% today. G Micah 11 hours ago is up 11,900 something percent today. Pepe Alf is down. Let's see, what do we like? I don't want anything that's less than a day old. Michi is 6 months old. It's got $173.6 million market cap. What is this? Oh yeah, we looked at this before. It's really funny. It's a good meme. It's a great meme, honestly. It makes me hopeful when old memes start to pump. I don't know why. Dog Toshi's funny. Moodang. 93 million on Moodang. Damn. Chikawa. 13 million. This one was created 4 hours ago. This one's 4 months old. Daddy Tate, 2 months. Autism. Sigma is 3 months. 51 million. Little Manu. 9.3 million. Klaus, 45 million. Retardio, 144 million. Alcohol, tobacco, firearm, 14.1 million. This was created 12 hours ago. That's impressive. $14.2 million market cap. And it was only created 12 hours ago? That's crazy. Billy Bass AI. Amber. Wolfius Maximus of Soul Street. We got Medusa. Higher. Retardia. That one's funny. This one's got potential. Perseus. Money's calling. Magnet. Memecoin Millionaire. Goggles. Tom. G Micah. Showgirls. Hour ago. Never mind. Podcat. 4 hours ago. Terminal of Token. Yeah, guys, a lot of these are still too new, honestly. Popo was only created 5 days ago, though. Damn. I had no idea. Waifu. Main character. That's a funny one. 3 days. This one might be gold. Oh, Long Johnson. Let's see. Pete said Anderson saying Moo Dang could possibly bounce or it's over. Offset. I FOMO'd Sui, so it's probably over. Sui Llama. 1.4 mil. Sui got to pull back, so the meme's got to pull back on Sui. PP. Down 6.3%, up 20% in the last 6 hours, though. Moon or Dust. Pop Dog. Interesting. Base Pepe, Pepe Dang. 14 days ago, Hangover Coin. This is a great movie. Great movie series. Based USA, Tadpole. Honestly, this is a month old. Oh, it's on base. Never mind. All right, let's see what we got. We got Retardia. Could be a winner. 1.9 mil market cap. That's new. It's very new, guys. This is created yesterday. 1.9 mil market cap. But it is the female Retardio. So there's potential. Main character, CTO, which is pretty hilarious. Fuck everything. I'm the main character. 109,000 liquidity. So the liquidity is over 10%. And the holders can't one clip it. I guess 4 of them could. That's a little bit scary. This thing was created 3 days ago. Hoff said he bought Sui at 2.08. Let's go take a look at Sui really quick. Hoff's, if it's a long-term hold, I wouldn't be worried. However, that is a hefty pullback. Let's see, last time Sui had a pullback, it was 20%. Let's see how much it's pulled back right now. Yeah, expect it to go down to like $1.86 maybe. If it's gonna follow that same pattern, totally guessing. Complete guess. So do with that what you will. Yeah, I think that's it. We got Retardia and Main. Popo is going up. Uh-oh. Popo's going up. Used car coming down. Should I sell my used car? No, I think I only have $8 in it. $9, yeah. We're only up $1. Calm down. Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Dark Magician Girl. I hope I'm wrong. I hope this does something. But right now it's just kind of been the biggest disappointment. Splo. I have full faith in this coin. I can't tell you guys why. I just like the fucking art. That's literally it. The artist is just non-stop pumping this thing. The raids in the Telegram are crazy. Like, these motherfuckers show up. There's people taking profit. That's what's going to happen. It might go to 0. Like, because I'm bullish on it, doesn't mean that it's going to be the fucking the token that we all retire on. It very easily could go to 0. I'm kind of an idiot. BLXIC said RAR XD. Is that a coin? Unverified said we go to 70k tomorrow. Unverified, that's very possible. 70k tomorrow. I mean, that's not. My guess is Thursday. I don't remember why. I did something. I measured something at the beginning of the stream, and I was like, oh, I bet you it's going to happen on Thursday. So that's my complete guess. 70k right now. Only a 5% move. That's very possible. BLXIC. RAR is a meme coin. Okay, let's take a look.
What chain is it on? Got Sol. $14.8 million market cap. Damn. Ooh. I mean, this is the area that I grew up in. I don't know about you guys. How old is this thing? Damn. How did we miss this? 2024? See, Mr. Anderson's like, the memes die. There was no volume on this thing. There was 0 volume. And it has awoken. Look at this. 281% pump. 138. 52. 54. 27. 28. And then right here, if you would have just bought on the 3rd, you would currently be up 1,000%. Holy shit! We're adding this to the watch list, guys. The nostalgia in me is like, buy this, dumbass. And I might just do that. I'm probably going to buy the top. Should I follow into RAR XD? Should we look for more nostalgia memes? Nostalgia is the new meta. I like it. I really do. There's nothing that makes me want to ape into it right this second. Actually, no, I'm lying. There is bullish div, friends. There is bullish div. Look at that. JJ's favorite thing to look for in the charts is there. Bullish div. It's a fucking buy. I'm probably going to do it. Don't judge me. I have a problem. The question is, how much do we buy? Let's go to the Twitter. I gotta follow the Twitter. Of course. This is fucking great. Emo girls and crypto bros make a good team. Let's fucking go! This is fucking great. Where's Mr. Anderson? He'll fucking love this. Unverified said Invader Zim, one of the most goated and cryptic kids show of all times. Only second to Courage the Cowardly Dog. I sadly didn't get in early, but I think it could be big. It could be big, dude. The nostalgia factor and just knowing the age of all the people in crypto. There's potential. There's 1,000% potential. Shit. What do I put into it? I don't want to get rid of any of my Popo, if I'm being completely honest. I could get rid of my Dark Magician girl. Fuck. Let me go look. Jordan was talking shit, was he? That's kind of fucked up. Why was he talking shit? I don't talk shit about him. Let's see. I think I have some spare change on my Coinbase account. Okay. I think we can do it, guys. All right, Rules Crypto. Y'all just need to do MMA match. All holders of ADA. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, everyone talks shit about ADA. That's nothing new. Heat said, LOL, he always does. BLX said, I'm in really deep on this shit, LMAO. I'm about to be. I guess not really deep, but I'm about to be in. Let's see. What is taking so long? Here we go. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Unfortunately, there's no faster way for me to do this, but it is pretty fast. I'm very surprised at how fast
Transactions are on Sol. Now, my biggest mistake that I make is spending all of my Sol or all of my sweet or whatever, and then I don't have any money left over for transactions, so I end up having to send more later, which pisses me off. So don't let me fully ape into this. I need to leave like a small amount of money on the sidelines for transactions. Okay, it is on its way, guys. We are going to ape into RAR XD because nostalgia. Nostalgia sells. How do you buy a shitcoin? I'm about to show you. So set up, if you want to know how to buy a shitcoin on Sol specifically, set up a Phantom wallet, buy Sol on, let's say, Coinbase, and then send the Sol to your Phantom wallet. Just go up here, copy the Sol address, paste it into Coinbase, and then send the Solana there. It should show up instantly, just like this. It's like literally almost instant. And then if you want to do it directly through Dex Screener, you can also go to Jupiter, which is a Dex. It's probably cheaper to go through Jupiter, but I'm a degen, so I don't really give a shit. The extra 45 cents that I spent. Click buy. Make sure your wallet's connected. If it's not, it'll prompt you to connect your wallet, and then type in the Sol amount, or you can type in the USD or the XD amount that you want to buy. Whatever currency that you're buying. But find the currency that you want, click buy. Go down here, enter the amount of Sol that you want to spend. In this case, I'm going to go 0.08. Yeah, I'm going to put 11 bucks on this. Why the fuck not? Click buy, and then it's going to ask you to confirm. Confirm. And then you want to see down here, it'll say transaction confirmed. Then you're good to go, and it should show up right away. Boom. We are $12 deep into RAR XD. Let's fucking go. BLX, thank you very much. I use Radium and Phantom. Yeah, see, there's Radium, there's Jupe. There's a bunch of different ways to do it. All right, guys. We got a new meme. There you go, Drew. I don't know if you're still here. This was the meme coin choice of the day. We are on the Twitter. Jeez. This is fucking funny. I miss smoking cigarettes, man. I really do. This is too funny, man. The nostalgia factor is just crazy. I feel like there's so many coins that you can make off of that idea too. But he said Photon isn't so bad if you're sniping. Photon wallet? Is that a wallet? I can't believe I'm buying soul shitters on stream. If you would have told me I would have been doing this like 3-4 weeks ago, I would have told you were full of shit. All right. I think we're in a good spot. We'll have to see how the day plays out. I feel like everything's just going to be a bull flag, though. That scary wick that we had on the 4-hour is getting filled as we speak. The bull fractal is winning. The bear fractal is in shambles. The bears got liquidated today. The bulls got liquidated today. It was a crazy day, guys. Let's go refresh the liquidation heat map. Jeez. 12-hour. Yes, so many people got liquidated. It's crazy. 32. A lot of bulls down here. 141 is kind of insane. They might wick us down there to that 141, which is our lower line. I'm going to make this thicker because this is the larger liquidation point. Yeah, they might wick right down there just to grab that really quick. And we might go even a little bit lower if they do. Hop said Jordan got salty because I said he getting known as Jim Cramer of crypto. Oh shit. Jazz said I was lonely in the Discord. Jazz, you gotta bug 0 to set up ping cord for my streams, but also I'm hesitant because sometimes I stream at like the most ridiculous hours of the night. Welcome, welcome. Hit the like button on your way in. Kramer, that's so fucked up. I mean, I was bearish at this move too. I will say. Bronson called me out on it. We did the emergency stream after shit started pumping. Where was it? It was back here. It was right the fuck here. 3 hours before this move. Like right around here, we were like, meh. Bitcoin looks like shit. And then we got off stream, and then it exploded to the upside, made us look like absolute asshats. I'll just turn it off. The notifications for the Discord. You could turn on notifications for the streams. I guess I don't know. Like you can ring the bell on YouTube. Turn on notifications. I would do some, not all, because I'll upload shorts at fucking 1 a.m. and stuff like that. I'm trying to be honest with you guys. Sometimes I sneak in and like the stream and leave without saying anything. I got you, bro. Hell yeah, Jazz. That's the kind of support we're looking for. If you guys have like computers sitting around at home, let it play the 12-hour stream just on a loop, because we need to rack up those watch time hours. Let's see. Yeah, we're not really doing nothing. We're not really going anywhere. The total 3, the lines that I had drawn on total 3 played out perfectly. If you go back and watch earlier, I had drawn like this, and then we had nothing to show for it here. And I drew that, and then here I did the same thing, and it mimicked that exact same thing, because it was the same exact pattern repeating, but it was shrinking every time. And then from here, I think I went up, but the price just went down. But it literally followed it like perfectly. I was like shocked when I opened up total 3 and I saw that line perfectly played out. I was like, holy shit. I'm a goddamn genius. And then I remembered that I was bearish the other day before the pump. Sir, I even have my Snapchat notifications turned off. Oh, I have all notifications turned off. I just recently turned on notifications for YouTube on my phone, and I'm getting notifications for like everyone, and I'm like, what is all this crap? I'm definitely, I can't be bothered. I'm for sure one of those people. I get it. Total 3's taking a little vacation. We don't mind that. Is it gonna repeat this? Let's see if it does. Maybe it'll repeat that, but like a higher low. Maybe it'll do like this, and then continue. That's my guess. I'll leave that up there. See if that plays out. Fahid said, I still don't understand what a Snapchat is. Is it like Insta and TikTok? You don't know what Snapchat is, Fahid? That was like the big thing when I was in high school. Everybody had a Snapchat. I don't know what it was meant for. So the premise originally was you could send messages to people and write on your story and stuff, and it would, like, once it's gone forever. So you view it one time, and once you have viewed it, it is gone forever. So I could post me partying on my story or whatever the crap, but if I wanted to like get frisky with Fahid and send him like a dirty picture, I could send him a sexy picture, and then he would look at it, and then it would be gone forever. So I could, you know, never get in trouble for sending a dirty picture to Fahid when I've been engaged for 10 years. Or, you know, I'm actually going to prom with Thomas at the high school prom, but like I have a secret crush on Fahid. Snapchat was for degenerates in high school. It's not so much anymore. It's completely different now. But that's what it was originally made for back in the day. It was literally pretty much made for people to like inadvertently cheat on their spouse, because that's what everyone did in high school. Nobody had anything better to do. You had to literally create drama for entertainment. It's ridiculous. But now they got all kinds of fun filters and stuff. He said, okay, I'm downloading Snapchat. But it only lasts 24 hours and it's gone. Yeah, see, it's completely changed now. Listen to Jazz. Snapchat is like, I'll take a pic or video of my day and send it to friends or post it on my story. Yeah, it's, I don't know. You know what I miss? And I never even had it to be able to miss it, but I just miss seeing clips on YouTube and stuff. Vine. Vine, I believe, turned into Musically. And then, this is so weird. Were they affiliated at all? I thought Vine turned into Musically. Maybe I'm wrong. There was Vine at first. It was a short form video thing. And then Musically. And then TikTok. And TikTok seems to have been the only one that nailed it. Because all the other ones just disappeared. Look at this. Birth control and stuff. I'm on hercampus.com. See what you've done, Jazz? You've turned it into a girly stream. This is fucked up. It's hard to go on Instagram or Facebook nowadays without stumbling across a TikTok. That's true. That's very true. I will say, yeah, Vine was between 2013 and 2017. And then at the beginning of 2017, it was shut down. Musically was 2016, overlapped Vine, totally different. Shut down August of 2018. See, I think the biggest problem is none of these apps could figure out how to make money, which is actually the biggest problem that Twitter had back in the day. Now, allegedly, they're profitable. TikTok, on the other hand, TikTok has probably made so much freaking money from advertisers. It's ridiculous. Like, I feel like TikTok has the potential to stand up to YouTube and Twitch, which is a big deal because YouTube and Twitch are like the two big powerhouses when it comes to video sharing and streaming and stuff like that. And YouTube just started their own shorts thing, but I will say, having used YouTube shorts primarily to like pull in a lot of my views, TikTok is so much nicer. And I don't even really take TikTok that seriously, but I upload stuff and there's like, it like suggests the perfect music for my video clips and stuff like that. But YouTube doesn't do that. And then sometimes YouTube will be like, it offers up like a menu of different sounds to choose from. And then if I choose a sound that's like copyrighted, they'll copyright my video when they suggested the fucking sound in the first place. It's like entrapment. I'm like, fuck you guys. You literally told me to use that sound. So it's kind of ridiculous. YouTube is like tripping over themselves. It's funny. Look at this. Retardia is went up 43% on that 15-minute candle. Jeez. We should have bought some of this shit. I mean, I have money. We have $8 in sold, 0.05. I can't spend the whole thing. Let me put like $4 in this thing. 0.04 0.03. Let me try that. $4.44. Let's do it. Is this thing in a rug? Am I just throwing this money away? It did just launch. What do you guys think? Should I get this? All right, let's see really quick. Jazz said thought Vine was Chive. Really? Isn't that like a men's website?
He said, "Wait, I have to streak my friends. So do I use robe or trench coat?" Jazz said, "Just use the camera, Fahid. You're overthinking this." Yeah, TikTok is actually intriguing. I used to hate it. Jazz, I'm convinced that TikTok has like cracked the secret code, the Krabby Patty secret formula, the KFC like secret formula of marketing. They know exactly what to send you, and they know exactly where to send your videos to make sure that everyone gets the maximum exposure with the least effort. It's kind of genius. And because they do that, and they do it so well, they like people actually click on affiliate links and advertisements and shit. So people that are trying to market a product are willing to pay TikTok for that. And then even people that are on TikTok pay TikTok for promotions. It's crazy. Vahid said, "Well, yeah, I mean, I'd need to use a camera, but I'll need someone to hold it when I make my run." Vahid, you gotta get a tripod, man. How far behind on stream? It's gotta be an internet thing or something. That happens to me sometimes. I've definitely been like watching streams and participating in the live chat, and I'm like, what is everyone even talking about? And then I realize that I've been like 15 minutes behind the whole time. I don't know how it happens, but it's pretty ridiculous. Let's see. I wish the live button was a live button. Yeah. Yeah, I guess you just gotta kind of pay attention, I suppose. I'm not gonna buy this. I changed my mind. And I'm not gonna look at it again either. Main character, this thing. I'm not gonna say anything negative about it because it's probably gonna moon, but I'm not gonna buy any of this either. We did buy RAR because of nostalgia. I'm gonna put a line where we bought. I think we bought right at the bottom of this candle. Very cool. Very nostalgic. Popo's getting a little baby pullback. Why does it say $80 for the market cap? There we go, 1 million. That was weird. Guys, should I take profit on Popo a little bit? Take a little bit of money out? We are up quite a bit. I guess we're not. We're only up $8. Although that is almost... Is that 100%? No, that's 50%. It's just about 50%. Yeah, I'm going to leave everything. I'm happy with everything, where everything's at. Alright, guys. It is 9:24 p.m. Total 3. Looking kind of bullish, honestly. ETH, same thing. Sol. Bitcoin's getting a big fat candle to the upside. Can we break through the upper trend line right the fuck now? Let's see if it's going to happen. It's getting exciting. We're getting spicy on stream. Who would have thought? Let's go show the stream again really quick, guys. I'm going to go show it in the Discord. Make sure everyone's watching. Oh, I got a ping in the fantasy football. Guys, I think we're breaking through that trend line. It's about to go down.
do. Break it, break it. Let's see. This is pretty exciting. It's exciting stuff. Should we get the pump song going? Do we think that the pump song can make Bitcoin break above this? I'm a little bit lost. Where's my pump song playlist? Since when do I have so many playlists? Is it under favorites? There we go. Okay, I think I got it. What do you guys think? Fahid said we need our own pump song. This is what I've been using. Do we look at that? It's fucking working too. Hell yeah. Do we like it or do we want something else? We're about to hit that liquidation point up there. Did we hit it? I think we might have hit it. Uh-oh. Ooh, China coming in hot. Let's fucking go. Ooh, I think we hit it, guys. I think we hit it. Oh, shoot. 12 hour. Did we hit it? No. Almost. Almost. We're getting a little too hype. A little too hype. Calm down, JJ. Calm down. Let's get the pump song going again. Shit. I'm sorry, Jazz. Bitcoin's pumping. What do you expect? You can't be going to bed at 9:30 p.m. on a Tuesday while Bitcoin's pumping. Dave said, missed a lot of streams. Just got home from work. Welcome, Dave. Hit the like button on your way in. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Bitcoin's pumping. We're breaking above our upper trend line. Our long-term upper trend line. It did this earlier. We got some very intense volatility earlier. It was a lot of fun. Right now, we're right at the cusp of some liquidations. I don't know if they're, like, waiting for these people to, like, double down or something. I accidentally, like, ruined Jazz's sleep schedule by blasting pump music. Yeah, what are they doing? It's right there. Take it. It's right there. Nuh-uh. There's no fucking way. There's no way they don't take that. There's no way. This is insanity. I don't think they're going to take it. What the fuck? Guys, I almost ended the stream. Could you imagine how devastating that would have been if I would have got off right here and then this candle happened? Oh shit, that would have been pretty funny. Jazz said up all night again now, dancing here in bed. What the fuck? We're fucking up everyone's sleep schedule, guys. It's a fun time. Let's see. Hop said I'm ready to go to Wing House. Wing House? What the fuck is Wing House? We have Wingstop. I have not been to Wingstop yet, but I really want to go. I don't know if it's the green. Oh, look at how good it looks. Come on. What time are they open? What if I go and get Wingstop right now? Would that be crazy? They're open till 11. Okay, no, I'm sorry. My bad. That's Buffalo Wild Wings. That's kind of fucked up. Am I crazy? Where's the closest Wingstop? I thought that there was one closer. Oh, shit. Okay, never mind. The closest one's way the fuck out of the way. It does look like they're open till midnight, though, so that's kind of cool. Not a lot of places open till midnight anymore. Huff said I'm ready to go to Wing House. Oh my gosh, I had a sell order at 67.5. It didn't hit. Maybe that's why. Oh. I'm gonna recline in my chair and we're gonna watch Bitcoin. Flip this upper trend line into support. Are wings fast food? I guess they are in Michigan. I don't know if Wingstop is a. I don't know, man. They just look how good they look. I can't look at the pictures. I just want to go there. Like I'm gonna end the stream and go fucking drive out of my way at 9:30 p.m. on a Tuesday to grab this shit. Oh, it looks so good. I've never been there. I want to go there really bad. The logo's badass. I like the green. It's like, it's different. Nobody does this. Let's see. No, it's not. It's not doing it. That is the weirdest thing. Why wouldn't they take that liquidation? Maybe they're trying to entice more shorts. Uber Eats, man. Yeah, but not that far. Then I gotta pay for it, and I'm already out like $500-600 from building this damn PC. The most impulsive purchase I've ever made. Hawk said this is BS. Yeah. Jazz said great. Now I want to dance and I'm hungry. I'm so fucking hungry. I ate literally just before I started the stream. It's been 2 hours, so I guess it's been a fair amount of time. But there's no way I can end the stream with this happening. Like what? That would be the dumbest thing ever. Come on, come on. Jazz said my Uber Eats is free. I don't get it. Like for promotional? Anytime I do anything Uber or DoorDash or Instacart or anything like that, it's expensive as fuck. I don't even know what Wing House is, but I don't like meat on a bone, so meh. I'm not a big meat on the bone person either. There's always something chewy that's not supposed to be in there, and it drives me crazy. Maybe that's feminine of me. I don't really give a shit. I like I like processed meat. Unless I will say I do enjoy ribs. Ribs are delicious. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. You know you want to. It's just giving us a little fake out right now. Maybe the fake out is to the upside though.
How fast do we think this next move is going to happen? This came out of nowhere. This candle came out of nowhere. Within 2 minutes. Where were we? We were on the 15. Off said Wing House is like Hooters. I do enjoy Hooters. Went there for my I don't remember, my 15th birthday, I think. That was pretty fun. The Heat said Jazz robbed Uber by complaining the driver was hitting on her and her food was cold. That's why it's free. Can you put on the market session TPO? I don't know what that is. You'd have to explain to me what that is. It's just gonna play with us all day. Nothing's gonna happen. As soon as I get off, it's gonna go crazy. The 4-hour looks wonderful. Indicator. I don't pay for TradingView Premium, so I can get rid of one of my indicators for that. Nope, nope. It's got a little red thing. Runtime error. Loop takes too long to execute? Okay, well then fuck off. There we go. Okay, this is kind of cool. Like, guesses where it thinks the price is gonna go? Neat. What is that showing volume? Very interesting. Oh. I kind of like this indicator. Okay, so let's clean this up though. And get our other one back. Not that I really use this, but I'm used to it being up there right now. There was something that I was watching years ago that had like heavy correlation with pumps. I think it was Fu Manchu, but I'm not positive. But like something would happen on it, and then the price would pump shortly afterwards. Franco said Biscotti. Dave said that meme I mentioned the other day, Klaus. Yes! Okay, that was you. We were talking about that earlier. We looked at it. It's going crazy, man. Like, that was a huge win. Look at that. We were looking at it down here. And it's up 200% now. Fucking sick, Dave. That's fucking awesome. Real Crypto said they have volume profile. Jazz said only 9 likes. Someone liked the stream. Franco said, oh shit, 10 watching. JJ coming up in the world. Kind of like floodwaters in Florida. Jazz said, there we go. Hoff said, Franco, angry face. Real Crypto said, bro, we got 10 watchers. Guys, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. I appreciate you all for being here. Bitcoin is pumping. We got a surprise pump.
just before I was about to end the stream, and now we have 10 concurrent viewers. I'm thinking about going to grab a cookie. We bought a nostalgic meme coin called RAR XD, 2005 era, 2005 to 2015, nostalgia induced. Let's see. Our Popo is taking a little poo-poo. I don't think I'm gonna sell it though. I'd rather watch all of this stuff go to zero than risk selling it and watching it skyrocket later. I really would. We are at 105 subs, guys. That's also very cool. Go back to Bitcoin. Why not sell and buy lower? Because it might not go lower. I've flipped in and out of memes a couple of times this past week, and every time I try to do that, the price immediately reverses. So it's easier to just not do that. Because it's pretty when I sell something and the price skyrockets afterwards, that shit's so embarrassing. And then you're also pissed off because you realize like you could have made this much money and you didn't because you're an idiot. Yeah, it's a shit show. Let's see. Hop said, how come when I type Franco, the next suggested emoji to it is angry face? That is a frequent response of yours. Dave said, I saw it at 5 million, but didn't get in until 15. What? Is that 41? I mean, that seems like a good deal. That seems like a great trade-off. What are you up 100% right now? That's sick. Franco said, no, Jazz, the real Franco emoji would be this or some other of me next to food. I don't think... When does Franco ever have any food-related anything about him? I think the angry face makes a little more sense. It's more associated with Franco lore. We can't confuse the new viewers with different Franco lore. Unverified said Hops navigating underwater cities and coastal reefs in Florida as he watches meme coin charts. I'm not allowed to laugh. That's fucked up. Popo XD. Let's go take a look at used car and Splo. Splo is on the downside a little bit today, guys. Looks like it's rebounding though. Used car is flying. We like to see used car going up. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster. We're very excited about this one as well. This one's been doing very good. Apparently, because we reached a $1 million market cap, they donated like 100 meals or 1,000, some ridiculous quantity of meals to the homeless shelter, and it was spaghetti specifically. Let's see. Jazz said small wins are better than no wins. That's true. Jazz also said LOL Franco, and Franco said Fahid real life emoji. Hoff's navigating hepatitis A and B in the shit river, trying to get to the shore for some Miller Lite. Hoff said my sell order trolled again. Did we almost hit it again? Where? What timeline are you looking at, Hoffs? Guys, thank you for joining. Hit the like button. Holy crap, we're at 106 subs now? I can't keep up, guys. I gotta keep updating the board. We're in blue sky breakout for subs. How long? I think it'd be fun to do like some kind of betting system in the Discord
for people to guess when I'm gonna hit what subscriber milestones.
He said, did Hoffs get his Hep A and Hep B shots?
Hoff said no. He just said no. Guys, the market is trolling. It is entertaining though. It's very entertaining. If you'll excuse me for one moment, I'm gonna go grab a cookie. I'll be right back. Alright, I have returned with cookie. Let's see what you guys said. Jazz said Christmas 500 subs, 14 likes. Very cool, very cool. Franco said Hops could smell the poop water. He didn't wade through it. He is a true Florida man. Remember, he's from Philly. Franco said true Florida man would have been inside that water. Fahid said shake my head. I had to take a Hep A shot like years and years ago. I was lucky I didn't get it. My bro got it, and he looked like he was done for. Hep can suck. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Hoff said 106 videos. Yeah, you know what? My quantity of videos has literally kept up with the quantity of subscribers. It's weird. Franco said, Fahid, for fuck's sake, use Protecto when you sit on public toilet seats. Ew, who the fuck is sitting on public toilet seats, Franco? Use the bucket, for fuck's sake. You either fucking hold that shit your pants, or use the bucket. You do not use public toilet seats. Ever. Under no circumstances. Liver infection. That's no good. Come on, Popo, you can do it. Come on, Splos, you can do it. Let's go look at Splo's Twitter. Sick art. Every fucking day. Let's see what else. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster. Yes, is Popo gonna reverse? What's Bitcoin doing? Jazz said it's not weird every time you roll a joint you stream. Me? I don't smoke. I do take edibles though. Ew. Hoff just said the hand dryer has all kinds of bacteria. It's disgusting. I thought, okay. I'm pretty sure he's talking about the hand dryer in bathrooms. I thought he meant like the motel hair dryer. I was like, ew. Imagine staying in a motel and using this to dry your hair or whatever, and the last guest like teabagged the inlet hole, and you're just heating up his like tea bag and blowing it all over your head. Oh man, that's disgusting. What the fuck? Oh shit. It does look like the perfect teabaggable device though, I will say. And I don't know about you guys, but as a dude, sometimes we use these to dry our balls. Franco, I no longer need a hairdryer either. They've been running political ads here. Young kids are eating them gummies and practically dying. What the fuck? You know what? I'm gonna... Little micro story time right now. So, At my work, we've had interns from the high school, and they're always good kids, but every time there's never been a male intern from the high school that actually worked. They're always like watching YouTube or whatever, and then you try to tell them like, "Hey man, you can't do that." And then they're like, "I'm watching it while I'm working." Like, "No, you're fucking not. Shut YouTube off, do your fucking job, and then go home and dick around on YouTube afterwards." But they don't listen. So then we get these female interns, and they bust their ass. I don't know what it is. That's just the statistics. So, our best worker was a girl named Isabella. Literally, like, still good friends with her to this day. And then the teacher, the same teacher that recommended her, recommended another intern. Her name was Hannah. She was very smart, very talented with video editing and stuff like that. But she was kind of weird. And she started telling me like random stories about her friends and stuff. And one of them was this time her friend went on a date with this guy. And the guy got her to smoke weed. And she literally straight-faced told me that her friend almost OD'd on weed. And it like hurt my soul with cringe. It was the cringiest thing anyone's ever said to me in my entire life. But I didn't say anything. I was respectful. But what the fuck are these kids being taught? That you can overdose on weed? What the fuck? It was cringy. Dave said, I was thinking Pepe with Vet. Let's take a look at those really quick. Franco said Clint Hoff's JJ, the Three Musketeers now. Oh yeah? How come? Let's take a look at Pepe for Dave. Dave, I see it's very, very faint, but on the 15, there is bullish div on Pepe. Yeah, bullish div right there. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. There is not bullish div here. There is bearish div though. Pepe 4 hour does have bearish divergence. Oh, never mind. I think I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Disregard that. There is no bearish div. I had an earlier question. What was your earlier question, Dave? Should I scroll up? Let me scroll up. Dave said earlier, I saw it at 55 mil, but didn't get in until 15. What else did he say? I was thinking Pepe with that. I think either you didn't send the earlier question or it's not being received on my end. Yeah, Jazz said you would have to eat your body weight to die. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, man. Unless they're eating like spiked or laced gummies, which is just dumb. But that's a very Florida thing. I feel like they would lace gummies in Florida. Yeah, Dave. What? I guess let me know what your earlier question was, Dave. I haven't caught it. I don't see it in the chat either. But he said yes, you can actually OD on weed depending on the right strain and toxicity, and how much you use, like very high potent oil. Otherwise, it's the least drug thing that you can OD from. Fahid, I think overdosing on weed is like overdosing on like vitamin B. Like, I don't think anything detrimental happens to you. I think you just get really fucking high. You can call poison control and they'll probably like give you an IV or whatever the fuck at the hospital, but I genuinely do not believe that you can overdose on weed. Now, if you have oils and stuff mixed in it, then sure. See, dose-dependent toxicity is possible. But overdose is Unlikely. There's never been any case of anybody ever overdosing on weed ever in history. I know you can green out, but OD, yeah, that's what I think is happening. People freak the fuck out, but they don't die. So when they freak out, they're like, "Oh my gosh, I OD'd," but they're being serious about it. So I don't know. Those people have never done any other drug, clearly.
Pepe with vet.
Dave, I'm still waiting for your earlier question. I can't find it in the chat. Am I crazy? Did somebody like delete Dave's thing? We're at 106 now? Am I crazy? What's going on with the sub count? Why is it going up so much? What the heck, guys? Was it at 106? Did we know that already? Okay, we did know that. We did know that. My bad. You know what? I updated this really quick. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta show it again. There we go. We got face reveal goal option 106 subs. What is that? 18%? I can't really tell. It's hard to tell. And then option 2, $110 is 22%. Okay, yeah, 106 subs is 18%. So we are catching up to face reveal goal option 2. I guess if option 1 happens fast enough, I might not have time to make the fun video that I'm trying to make. But I will make the video regardless. And I will do the face reveal regardless. Let's see. Dave's earlier question maybe was Pepe with that. Let's look at whiff. Pepe looks fine. Whiff. I mean, this thing's just in a monster uptrend. There is bearish div on the daily, though. So you got bearish div there. Potential entry. Offsetty long Bitcoin Cash that's mooning. What else did Dave say? Vet. What is Vet doing nowadays? See, Vet looks, I hate to say this, similar to ADA. You know what, though? There is a trend line there. Interesting. And oddly enough, I don't know if you guys can notice, this little spike, the 2 spikes, and then the spike, and then this is exactly what's happening here. Spike, 2 spikes, spike, then this. It looks like that's about to fucking explode. Look at that. I'm going to copy a fractal here. Don't judge me. And if it plays out, then feel free to donate. But if I copy this and I put it here and I just make it bigger, how do I even do that? I think I can stretch it. Yes, I can. Look at that. That price action is playing out very similarly. The spike, the 2 spikes, the spike. Yeah, guys, if this is any indication as to what's to come, I would say that this is altcoin season. That's all I see here. Long-term target for VET specifically based on the fractal 40 cents. Not financial advice. This is just a fractal. It's an idea. It's a concept. Let's see. He'd said they were under the influence of crash. You were at 106. I'm on Bitcoin Cash. It's moving. Okay. Yeah, that. I honestly want to see if this is present on anything else. Let's go back to Bitcoin really quick on the 15. See if it's doing anything. It looks like it might be. Yep, she's trying again. I can't. There's no way I can end the stream right now, guys. We gotta watch this thing fucking break through. Are you kidding me? Bitcoin's about to go parabolic. On my stream, we've breached 100 subs. Hit the like button, guys. Ring the bell for notification. Let's make some fucking money. What the fuck is this? Come on. Come on, man. Everything else is fucking flying. This is ridiculous. Let's see, where's Sweet at? Okay, alts are relaxing a little bit. Bitcoin down, it's coming up maybe. Yeah, let's look at ETH. I'm gonna see if there's any big patterns in ETH on like the weekly maybe. Nothing obvious. Let me go see. Sol just blew up. What's another one? Not Polkadot. I don't know. Vet was the most interesting. I can't believe that that was so, like, obvious. You guys see what I'm talking about? This pattern right here is just a miniaturized version of what's playing out right now. Like, exactly what's playing out right now. Look at that. Spike, two tops, spike down below, fizzles out, and then it just goes crazy. Spike, two tops, spikes, fizzles out. Dave said, I think I'll recommend Vet to my friend that doesn't know crypto. Thanks. Dave, you're welcome. Like I said, we're just presenting an idea. But I do like VeChain as a project. It's got the same potential as everything else, I feel. I was not expecting that pattern to kind of like sneak up on me. Like kind of blew my mind. Let's see if Bitcoin can make me look like an idiot with my Thursday guess, because that's what I want. I want Bitcoin to go, huh, Thursday. How about today? Fahid said, I just want Bitcoin to break that line already. Gosh. Yeah, it might not. It might just fuck around with us. Very possible. Let's go look at Bitcoin Cash. Ooh! Where'd you long this, Hoffs? Very cool. You know, there's a big delay between my stream and what's actually happening live. It's kind of funny. I guess, is it mooning or is it just recovering from earlier's volatility? That's kind of funny. Like the slingshot happened and Bitcoin Cash was like, meh, I give up. And now it's like catching up. It's like, oh shit, everyone else is fucking mooning. Dave, how about you recommend all three of those to your friend? Are they trying to just put their eggs all in one basket? I feel like diversity is also important. That looks really good with that fractal and with that pattern that's currently playing out. But Pepe and Whiff are also like cult following meme coins. Maybe that and one of either Pepe or Whiff, their choice. I don't know. That's what I would do. But I'm also the guy that just took like fucking 8 hours to pick a GPU on stream because I'm really bad with choices. If there's more than one choice, it's going to take me at least an hour to think about it. Especially if money's involved, because then I'm like, well, what? Can I allocate my money all into this one place? Or should I do it like, should I split it 50-50? 33, 33, 33? You know? World's Crypto said I had long render last week. Let's take a look at render. Said last week. Hell yeah. Very cool. It's up 10%, I think. From the Thursday lows. Dave said he's new to crypto, just not sure what to recommend. I think I would just recommend bet is probably a safe bet. But it's on the lower market cap side now. I guess compared to blue chips, but it's a safer bet for sure. So maybe just recommend a little bit of diversity, like 2 or 3 exposure to 2 or 3 projects. I feel like is a fair start for sure. Fahid said I would tell new people to just buy Bitcoin and give a shot, but warn them it's around 2021's price. Yeah, everyone's got their own risk tolerance. I guess if you know how much money they make and how much they're trying to play with, and if they can afford to lose it and all that stuff, just make sure you explain all the risks to them. Some of these coins can potentially go to zero. Hacks happen, all that stuff. You got to give them the pros and cons. Don't just like you're trying to be a salesman in a sense, but you're not trying to be a scummy salesman. You're trying to be an honest used car salesman. Like there's some rust, you know, it's almost at 200,000 miles, but it's reliable. It's got new tires. It's solid. It's safe, dependable. It's good for the price. Hoff said you should only buy Bitcoin in the beginning. I disagree with that. Here comes a rant. My first cryptocurrency exposure was literally Litecoin, which was an awful choice, by the way. But Bitcoin is such a bad idea because it just moves so slow. You're going to be like, hey man, buy Bitcoin. And it's going to go up like 5%. And they're going to be like, oh, that's cool, man. I made $50. And you're going to be like, oh shit. I just made 25 grand. Well, what the fuck? Why'd you make 25 grand? Because I bought Pepe, Whiff, and Vet. Why didn't you tell me to buy those? Well, because my friends on the internet said to tell you to only buy Bitcoin. How come Bitcoin didn't move that much? Well, because it's at a several multi-billion-dollar market cap. What do you think? I don't know, Dave. I trusted you to tell me what to think. I didn't think that you were having me buy something on the stock market. Oh, well, that wasn't my recommendation. That was my internet friends. Dave said, cool, thanks. I have about 20 people at work asking about crypto. Okay, that's interesting. Retail is arriving. That's exciting, Dave. We should... This is fucked up. Tell them to buy Popo. Everyone go load up on Popo. And then Dave, tell all 20 of those people to put their entire life savings in a Popo. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That's fucked up. Let's see. Jazz said, me too in 2017. Litecoin, Bitcoin, and ETH. Jazz, did you happen to be purchasing your crypto on PayPal? Because that's where I was. I was in PayPal. I had Litecoin. I was so excited. I was checking my PayPal like every hour. It was the dumbest thing. Because I think I made like 50, 60 bucks in one day, and I was like, holy shit. I can retire off of this. Blew my fucking mind. The Heat said, Jazz, have you been drinking or eating those gummies again? Rules Crypto said, I bought 8 at $1. The Heat said, oh, once regular folks start asking, it's not a good sign. The Heat, in the beginning, it is a good sign. We need them to start buying so they can pump our bags. Pop said, then JJ saw the light and started buying ADA. That's true. You know, you guys shit all over my ADA purchasing, but if you go, I'll probably do a whole episode on this one day. But man, oh man, did I make some fucking money on Snack. I'm making good money on Iagon right now too. Snack and Nike. I made so much fucking money on these things. And then the rest of these. Landfi I made good money on. Milk I made really good money on. This is all at the very, very beginning of these tokens' lives. Right here. Nike. I told y'all to buy Nike like here. At 0.0008. And I sold somewhere the fuck up here. I don't know. I was up like fucking a ridiculous percentage. I have no fucking clue. And I made a lot of fucking money on Nike. And same with Snack. Snack, I expect to make even more money on. Nike, not so much, but Snack, fully expecting this thing to go nuts. It's not even listed on like any big exchanges at all. But you guys shit all over it. And you know who I got the advice from actually? Alex Becker. Alex Becker, way back in the day, before he was shitting on ADA, which his ADA jokes are funny. I'm not going to deny him that. Guys, Bitcoin is breaking above the blue trend line. Bitcoin's breaking above the upper trend line. This is fucking exciting. I'm going to continue my rant. Alex Becker said, the biggest thing you can do is focus on these L1 ecosystem plays. And instead of going all over the place, I was like, okay, I like ADA. I'm going to focus on ADA. I focused on ADA, and it fucking paid off. I made so much goddamn money focusing on ADA. And now I'm taking that knowledge, and I'm taking the bandwidth in my brain, which isn't much, and I'm applying it elsewhere, and I'm buying Flying Spaghetti Monster and Roar XD and Popo and fucking Dark Magician Girl and Used Car on Solana. But those are ecosystem plays, regardless of whether or not they're meme coins, and we're having fun. So take that, suck it, and I'm still an ADA Maxi. I also just so happen to be a Sui Maxi now because of Splo specifically. Let's get back to the chat. Jazz said Coinbase. I made a lot of money on Mana in 2021. Man, I remember that. Mana and Sand. Mana has a different name now, doesn't it? Decentraland. I wonder if this is gonna do something now that Off the Grid came out, because this was like the big play. What's the other one? It starts with an E, doesn't it? Fuck, what's it called? All right, let's see really quick. Blah blah blah. Dave said I did round trip on Shiba in last bull run. Didn't know you was supposed to sell. Dave, I'm pretty sure majority of us did that. People that say that they didn't round trip are either full of shit or they sold for like 20 bucks profit before they almost reached the round trip part. Is gaming an option? I need to go to categories and I need to go to gaming. It starts with an E. Immutable X is a really good one. Where's the engine? Engine was the big one. Let's see. Jazz said you took your impacts to the hotel. LOL. Is Tom Petty there with you too? Is Tom Petty in the room with us? He said, "Oh no, I can't do Canadian trading. I stick to USD." Jazz said, "Oh, Dave, a lot of people didn't sell." Hop said, "Haha, I keep my truck stocked." Jazz. Rules Crypto said, "Let's go." The Heat said, "You're supposed to hold, Dave. JK. If it's not Bitcoin, then hold is pretty useless. Jazz said, "Oh well, that's good, I suppose." Sand and AVAX. AVAX is the new gaming play with this fucking game. AVAX, I feel like should send. I'm gonna buy some AVAX, and I fucking hated AVAX because it didn't move for fucking forever, and then I sold it and it exploded. Beats at eGold. I don't know. ETH Classic. Hoff said my order filled. Let's fucking go. Jazz said, there you go, Fahid. Yeah, no, guys, it was the engine that I was trying to think of. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, Hoff's order hit, and then because he sold, it dumped. Thanks, Hoffs. Unverified said, what if I converted 1K of my ADA into SNEC? That would be sick, dude. I think that's a great idea. Not financial advice, though. But if you compare market caps and you compare returns, I believe SNEC has outperformed ADA. I mean, it's been kind of sideways, I'm not going to lie. But they have an energy drink. They got the NFT collection. There's literally like a whole ecosystem of people creating stuff with the SNEC IP through the SNEC pit. Like, I've never seen a community come together and create a brand and create marketing and like guerrilla marketing and campaigning for like various products and intellectual properties like SNEC. It kind of blows my mind. Guys should definitely get yourself some SNEC energy if you can. It's delicious. Highly recommend. This is one of the SNEC pit projects. And then you got Sneckies, which is a mining NFT. So I have my profile picture on Discord is a Sneckies, and it's literally mining a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. And I get a chunk of the mining revenue from holding my Sneckies in the mine. And there's a bunch more. I don't remember all of them. If you go to the SNEC Discord, you can learn more about it. They do buybacks and burns. I don't know. It's a great community. It's super duper fun. I highly recommend checking it out. It is the meme coin on ADA for sure. It's the one to watch. Let's go back check on Bitcoin. Doing a whole lot of nothing. ETH, Sol, in total 3. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's just gonna troll us until I get off stream. Let's see, Mr. Robbers. Hello, Fahid. I'm new here. Hello, hello. I'll listen for a bit here. Mr. Robbers, welcome. Hit the like button on your way in. If you like it here, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, please consider ringing the bell. Although I'm going to recommend not turning on all notifications, just turning on some, because I do upload random videos at like crazy hours of the night sometimes. Let's see. Jazz said, remember SLP? Silent lip poison? I thought it was smooth love potion. I believe that is a Axie Infinity coin. Oops. Smooth love potion was an Axie Infinity coin, and let's see. Axie was a really, really big play to earn game. I bet you it's probably gonna have another heyday, honestly. That was like the first big crypto game that people actually like played and made money with. And when Axie does really good, this thing takes off. Look at it, in February of last year, it went crazy. February, March, that was when Bitcoin was hitting all-time highs. Wow, look at how that's insane. Oh, I'm not allowed to see that much. Hold on. Let's go to the weekly. What have I done? What the heck? What did I do? Guys, oh my God. My trading view went nuts. Okay. I think we're good. We're good. Okay, now let me go to the weekly. Okay. Okay. What is this? Why is that there? Wow. This thing has kind of only gone down since launch. That's crazy. What the heck? But yeah, in March, it blew up 91% in one day. Or in 1 week. Yeah, Smooth Love Potion. Yep, I made money on that in 2021 as well. It's not hard to make money in 2021. Yeah, you're right. It was not. It really wasn't. We thought we were all geniuses, and and then we held until 2024. Guys, I don't know what this is and why it's here. I'm gonna refresh, see if that fixes it. Okay, good. We fixed it. I don't know what that was. That was freaking me out. Let's see if we can get a break above this line. We're looking for a break above our blue upper resistance level that we have been riding for forever. Since March of this year. So 7 months? It's been 7 months. We got 2 fractals, guys. We got a bull fractal and a bear fractal. The bear fractal is in shambles. The bull fractal is currently winning. I have a random guess that we're going to break that trend line on Thursday, which is 2 days from now. However, we are currently trying to break it right now. And if we can break it and get a close above it, I would look for the daily to close above it, honestly. But even if we could get any candles to close above it, I'll be happy. We got our liquidation point. So it looks like we did hit this liquidation point. Let's go check the liquidation heat map. Dave said, I first saw Axie at 13, didn't buy any. I think it went to 300. Dave, that's happened to so many people with so many coins. I try not to remember the ones that do that because then I feel like crap thinking about it. Like, I looked into Bitcoin when I was in college in like 2012, and it was at some ridiculous number back then, like probably $100 or 300 or something like that, and I was like, no, this thing's not ever going higher than this. I only looked into it for like an hour or two, so I don't feel that bad about it. But the fact that I could have even just put like $20 into it, just thinking about it today kind of sucks. Because how much money would that be worth today? So it looks like the liquidations above are closing before they hit. We have not hit any liquidations above. We got 67,575. Let me go put that, or I guess move this to that point. 67,575. There we go. See if we can hit that. 15 looks like it wants to get above that line. Jazz said, we held because Jordan told us to. Everyone else was like, you idiots, sell. And we banned those people. Fahid said, Jordan also told us not to short the greatest asset ever. Jazz said, Jordan also losing all his money now trying to teach himself how to leverage. Fahid said, but Jordan was saying you don't need leverage in a bull because of memes. Shake my head. Dave said, first time I heard of Bitcoin, I said, who would buy stupid computer money? Dave, I feel like everyone said that. I inherited a computer from my late uncle, and he was very techie. And with this computer came a box of random computer parts, and one of those random computer parts is a hard drive. And I have plugged this hard drive in, and I've tried to like look at it, and I can't get anything. It's like it's a completely different format. And all I can think of is, what if he mined Bitcoin? Because he had a rig. I have his computer, and from the time that he made it, that computer was a badass computer back then. So, and he was the type of uncle that would have mined Bitcoin. So I'm like, what if this hard drive just has Bitcoin sitting on it? I have no idea. No one else in the family would ever know. He lived alone, and he talked about all this stuff all the time. So it's very possible, but I genuinely do not know how to check. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. And it's been years now, so if there's like a seed phrase or something that was written down, I wouldn't even know where to begin to look. but that thought is just always in my brain. The hard drive's sitting on my desk right now. I don't even know what I would do with it to try and think. We got 9 people watching, guys. Hit the like button on your way in. I appreciate you all for being here. Bitcoin is trying to break above our upper trend line. We're excited. We're watching. Liquidation heat map is heating up. People are moving their liquidation points. They're adding to their leverage to avoid liquidation. It's getting spicy out there. Getting real spicy. We were also looking at some meme coins on Sol and Sui. Having a lot of fun with those. Popo went right back up. That's pretty sick. I like seeing that. Heck yeah. So we're back up. So we are up. We're up 33% on our Popo. We put 30 bucks in. We're up $10 right now. So yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, if you guys want to shill any altcoins or anything in the chat, let me know. I'll look at whatever. It doesn't matter if it's on TradingView or Dex Screener, or if I have to go to freaking CoinMarketCap or some like third-party website. I don't care. If that is the case, though, let me know in the message that you send to look it up. But yeah, Church of Flying Spaghetti Monsters coming back down a little bit. That's fine. Should I sell this? I have profit, but it's been flying. Yesterday, 60%. The day before, 90%. I'm only up $3 though. I don't know when I bought in. Maybe I should sell it. $7? That seems so silly. Let's see. Dave said, imagine being the guy that bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Dave, I feel so bad for that guy. Hunter Plays said, Boomer on base, please, sir. Let's go take a look at Boomer on base for Hunter Plays. Is it called Boomer on base, or is it just Boomer and it's on base? There's Boomers on Sol. That's kind of funny. Let's go look at Boomer on base. Heck yeah. Guys, is this Clint? I didn't know Clint had his own meme coin. That's crazy. Let's go look at their Twitter. This thing's literally flying. It's up 51% on the 11th, so 4 days ago. Wow. $7.3 million market cap. It's got a curling bottom. Let's do some TA on this meme. Hunter Plays, thank you for joining us. There you go. Not the Sol one. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Please consider subscribing if you are not subscribed already, and hit the like button on your way in. Apparently I can add the RSI on here twice. I did not know that. Let's see. Okay, there is, now this is the 4 hour, so I guess it is better than the 15. There's bullish div here. Take this with a grain of salt. I'm not saying buy or sell. I'm just pointing out what I see on the chart. There's bullish div on the 4 hour. When you measure bullish div, Google says not to include the wicks, so we don't include the wicks. Bullish div right there. What else do I see? It's a meme, and we're doing TA on it, but that's okay. I like bullish div. Every time I see bullish div, it seems to play out. But again, memes are a little unpredictable. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 15. Yeah. I don't see anything that I'm mad at. Go to the daily. See, now this is not a bull flag. It's not really doing anything. There's no pattern that I can draw here. I do like that 92%, and I like that it's sustaining that. The wicks to the downside make me feel good, but the wicks to the upside scare me. So it is kind of a battle between the bulls and the bears. I like the RSI resetting on the daily while that's happening. Let's take a look at the holders. Liquidity is at 454K out of 7.3 million, so it is not quite 10%. But it's up there. Whose wallet is this? I hope this is a burn wallet or something. Interesting. Okay, yeah, that must be. That is a burn wallet, I'm pretty sure. So they've burned 7.88% of the supply. And the highest wallet is 155K. See, the only thing that I'm concerned with is this high amount, but it's still not enough for them to one-clip the liquidity pool. So it would take some kind of coordination between several of the top holders, but they all do hold less than 5%, which makes me happy. So as far as memes go, there's no red flags for me. I like it. I don't know, some of these give an issue and it's really dumb. As whitelist, like who cares? It's live. It's trading live right now. Let's see really quick. Jan said, can you bring Boomer pickup? Yes. This is Clint, guys. Clint has his own meme coin. Clint is in the Discord. If you guys are new here, join the Discord. Go in there, tag him. His name is Cletus Scamicus or Cletus something. And say, hi Boomer, I love you. Hunter Plays says, first time finding you. This is cool. Nice stream. Thank you very much, Hunter Plays. I appreciate you. Appreciate that. Let's see. Jazz said, hey Hunter, don't forget to give the stream a like and sub if you like. We have all known each other for years now. Welcome to our little family. Wix for Divergence. Bro, you've been trading longer than me. Have I? Hunter Plays said, thank you for looking at it, sir. Jazz said, thanks. Haha, that's what I'm doing. Hunter Plays says, I gotta see this Clint guy now. Hunter, Clint is like our dad. He's like the Discord dad. Waterfly is the Discord grandpa. But Clint's a great guy. He really is a wonderful person. But we like to fuck with him because he fucks with us. So it's like a family thing. Oh, I'm getting kicked off my own trading view. Let's look at the liquidation heat map really quick. Refresh. Like and sub. Appreciate you. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the corner. I've been thinking, so the first thought calling my followers is corner dwellers. But that seems a little derogatory, so I don't know. You guys come up with your own name. We got 11 people watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Liquidation heat map. It looks pretty chill, actually. You know what? This is kind of alarming. All of this just kind of showed up and got tucked up in here. Before this, it was only this down here. This was the first liquidation point at 65,586. Now, people have started opening longs and high leverage longs with a lot of money. And there's some pretty hefty liquidation points close to where we're at, which scares me. Because that tells me that they can grab this really quick and then start a cascading liquidation. So we're going to add this to our chart. 66.8 to 66.5. Let's see. 66.8. Let's make that less big. And then 66.5. Those are our liquidation points as of right now. This is the dirty Bitcoin chart because it has like every indicator or piece of confluence information that somebody in the chat has given us. We do take input from the chat, so if you guys have input, let us know and we'll try and draw it on the chart. A lot of the moves that we have planned and predicted and seen play out is from information that was given to us from people in the chat. So it helps out. It goes a long way. This resistance line right here that we were trying to break through, that we finally broke through, that was from somebody in the chat. Bathtub is from Bath in the chat. We came back down and hit that twice. Grabbed liquidity down there. So yeah. Let's see. Rules Crypto said useless TA. Jazz said, K, I'm gone out for the stream for real now. See ya in the Discord. Pea soup. Good night, Jazz. Enjoy. Enjoy your pea soup. Rules Crypto said that should be the name. Useless TA. I mean, I guess reluctant TA is what I would call it, for myself at least, because I'm 50-50 on whether or not I believe in it, but I have seen a lot of stuff play out in the past 2-3 weeks, so maybe I'm being turned into a believer. I don't know. Let's see. All right, and then Dave said, are you going to make a Telegram channel? Small groups of people can share alpha. World's Crypto said useless degens. No, I don't like the word useless. I feel like that's really mean. I think you guys are useful. Dave, I am not actually familiar. I guess I'm kind of familiar with Telegram. I probably could. I guess I should. A lot of people want a Telegram, so I think that would be a good idea. I will make a Telegram, and then the next stream, I will put the Telegram in the description. And if I don't, then remind me, and I'll make sure I put it in there during the stream. But I'll make a Telegram right now while we're sitting here. It's a Telegram group, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see. I really don't know how to do this. Okay, Bitcoin's turning red, which isn't a bad thing. Like to see some pullback, some cool off. Bitcoin dominance, let's see. Bitcoin dominance hopefully curling over. Give some breathing room for alts to move. Vahid said Telegram has too many scammers. That's true, but I mean, people like it. It has a lot of scammers because it's very commonly used. Telegram is like the Windows of social media, it seems. New group. Do I have to add people? Okay, I don't. Enter group name. JJ's Crypto Corner. Okay, I've created a group. Let me get the... Do I get like a link? I can add members. Copy invite link. Okay. Let's see. I guess I'll just go post it on Twitter. If you guys are on Twitter, go check out my Twitter. World's Crypto JJ joined my Discord. Send me a link. Send me a link on Discord. Ernest Brendan said, I think it's going back down soon. That's very possible. That is very possible. We have been kind of lingering for a little bit. 15-minute, the 1 hour. I love that volatility earlier today. That wiped out quite a bit of leverage. But the liquidation heat map is kind of spicy on both ends. It's actually spicier on the bear's end. But the bulls have this big fat chunk of liquidity sitting down here, which is kind of scary. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see how it plays out. But everything looks good. The RSI is kind of resetting on all time frames. That volatility from earlier was really nice. The 4 hour is overbought though. So we probably are due for a pullback for that. I would like to see it pull back and retest our purple line maybe one more time. Purple line is a like a medium trend line within the broader trend. These three peaks. And there's been confluence. It's been kind of bouncing off of that. Pock said emoji meta on Solana. Let's go check it out. Emoji meta on Solana. Emoji meta. Emoji. It's on Sol. Let's see. Meta Sol. Meta USDC. Meta. Mr. Roberts said, I'm mocking up a watch band for an old Tizet that I want my strap builder to make. And I just crazy glued my thumb to leather. That sucks. Got a link to your Twitter? Dave, I should probably put that in the description as well. But here, I'll pull it up right here.
On Twitter, I am JP Vincenzo 888 or JJ88 Lord Commander Night's Watch. And then I'm going to post the Telegram. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do like 18 different things. I'm not trying to ignore people. Here we go. All right. All right, that is posted. All right, and then I'm trying to find emoji meta on Sol. Pock, if you could, I guess, help out, because I'm not entirely sure what specifically that is. I don't think it's this, but maybe it is. Let me know. We got meta on Sol and then emoji. Are they both, is it two different projects on Sol? There's sweet emoji. So here's emoji on Sol. This is like a crazy micro cap. Look at that. Rugged, like, wow, on May 16th, 2024. Yeah, Pock, if you want to help me out, let me know which one is the right one. The Heat said Goat has a nice wick up today. Emoji meta on Sol. I think we found meta, if I'm not mistaken. I'm looking at the daily. Let's go down to the 4-hour. This looks good. Let me check out the RSI. I mean, there's bearish divergence on the RSI. Again, this is me doing TA on a meme coin, so take this with a grain of salt. Bearish div on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour looks fine. 15. Okay. Let's take a look at the Twitter. Is it active? Wizardio clan. Rules Crypto said look at Super. Rules Crypto Super was one of the ones that was apparently called out with that the Mr. Beast scam, which I thought was funny because I'm not a big fan of Elio trades, but it is what it is. I think they're doing a lot for gaming from the news that I've heard. I haven't seen much though. Honestly, when it comes to gaming, the one thing that I trust right now is Avalanche because of that off the grid game. That game looks so fucking sick. If you guys are new to the stream and you haven't looked or you haven't seen, on Friday or Saturday we will be streaming Off the Grid, which is the new crypto game that just launched and apparently it's super popular. And I suck ass at shooters, so you guys can watch me fumble around like an idiot all day. It's gonna be a fun time. Look at Super, that looks bearish. Boo, 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 boo. This thing was asleep for quite a while. Interesting. It just woke up November last year. Let's see. So there's bearish div on the 4-hour for Super, but it's very faint. Let me try to zoom in a little bit better. But it is there. Price going up, RSI going down. That's kind of all I see. If Bitcoin really starts to rip, though, that bearish div isn't going to matter.
Other than that, though, I mean, it looks like it's just kind of doing its own thing. There's definitely a repeating like liquidity pattern happening with this, kind of like what happened on the total 3 that we drew yesterday. The little spike and then the curl. The little spike and then the curl. So I would watch that. This is probably going to do this, and it's probably going to spike and curl again. Depending on the liquidity, you know, this is probably how the week just works with this coin specifically, and the different liquidity in the markets. Let's see. Go to the 15. Oh, wrong one. Bitcoin. Yeah, we're getting some indecisive candles on the 15-minute. If we can't break above this, it's not doom and gloom, but it will be some short-term pullback, I'm assuming. Keep in mind, though, this is me guessing, because I was bearish back where? I think right here. I was like super bearish. Like I got off stream. I was like, oh, Bitcoin looks like crap, guys. We got off stream. 3 hours went by, and then Bitcoin just exploded to the upside. So take my advice with a grain of salt. It broke through these resistance levels. It retested them and continued up. And then it broke through this upper trend line. Retested it a couple of times. Grabbed all the liquidity down there, and then used that to spike up again. We got some volatility earlier today, which was great. A lot of leverage got flushed out. It's not good for people that lost money, but it is good for Bitcoin to continue to go up. We want that leverage flushed out, because when people are over leveraged, then the volatility gets even worse and a lot more people get screwed over. Guys, I appreciate you all tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out. I'm probably going to call it a night. It is 11 p.m. Doesn't seem like Bitcoin's going to do much, but it might. If stuff starts to get super crazy, I'll probably hop back on for an emergency stream if it gets crazy before I go to bed. But otherwise, I'll be back on tomorrow for the daily close. I appreciate you all for joining me. Appreciate all the new people for joining. And it looks like the price is going to go up now. Let's see. Do I wait? Do I wait 12 minutes for the next 15-minute candle close? Because that's also an hour candle close. I think I can wait. Let's wait 12 minutes. Let's look at some meme coins or something. We'll wait 12 minutes and we'll see what happens. Let's check out the liquidation heat map really quick one more time. See if there's anything really close. $12-hour. Yeah, I don't see why they wouldn't take this with how close we are. 67,575, but then these just opened up down here and they're really close as well. They tucked right in there. Oh guys, I don't know. Yeah, guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter as well, this is my Twitter. I try to tweet updates from the streams and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, there you go. I'll be sure to put this in the description as well. And I did just make the Telegram, which I tweeted. Let me go. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to copy the link from here, but I did tweet the Telegram group as well. So you guys feel free to go join that. Let's see. Dave just joined. Let's go. Guys, I'm super pumped to set up my new rig and to play that game. Let's go watch that trailer again, because that trailer is freaking awesome. Sound warning. Just letting you guys know ahead of time. It's probably going to be loud.
It took a lot of hard work, but we finally completed it. And we are ready for our first globally broadcast Battle Royale! Welcome to the ultimate real-life gaming arena! It's all the thrill of online shooters, but in the real world. And you stand a chance of winning up to $100 million.
Obviously, this is going to attract everyone, not just ex-soldiers.
This is like Hunger Games happening in real life.
Players must undergo surgery in order to play.
They cut off your limbs, and they grow back by regen. And then they give you these cybernetic combat limbs and set you loose to go out and slaughter all your opponents. These people are just regular folks who have opted into total madness.
Technicians can literally resuscitate soldiers from death. Even extreme fatalities. They can regrow the patient from base tissue.
Okay, well, this is our floating surgical ship. It's where we bring our fallen players. And then within a couple of days, they're out playing again.
How much worse is this going to get? Are you really going to say nothing in defense of this despicable island of depravity that you are personally responsible for? What the? I mean, my God, am I going insane? What's going on in the world? I love this shit.
Welcome to the world's first real Battle Royale! You think you're tough? Sign up. Come on down to the island. Come test yourself for real.
That looks so good, guys. That looks so freaking good. I can't wait to play that. I'm super hyped just to like build my rig. I spent a lot of money on these fucking parts, but I'm so fucking hyped for that game. I don't think I've been this excited for a game since like I don't even know the last game I was super hyped for. Guys, I got an update. I think we're at 107 subscribers now. You guys are fucking awesome. You guys keep showing up. You keep hitting the like button. You keep subscribing. We are in Blue Sky Breakout on the subscriber front. It's very exciting. Our face reveal goal is 600 subs. I'm not sure what 107 is going to put us at, but I believe we are at 18%, so maybe 19. It might just stay at 18. I don't know. And then the option 2, which was brought in by popular demand, our donations. We are at $110 out of $500 goal there, which is 22%. So pick your poison. Donation links are down in the description, and the subscription button is also down below. So pick which one you want. I prefer the subscriber one because it's more long-term goal. So that's up to you guys though. Other than that, it is 10:54. We got 6 more minutes until our hourly candle close, so let's get rid of this really quick. There we go, and then we'll get back to Bitcoin, see what we're doing here. Anyone got anything else you wanna show in the chat for the remainder of the stream? I will go look up whatever you guys want. Otherwise, we can just chill. We can look at some other memes. Look at Meta. Somebody mentioned this earlier. I think it was Pock mentioned this earlier. Wanted us to take a look. There's Bearish Div, but again, it's a meme coin. Small, pretty small market cap for a meme, honestly. If the volume starts picking up, then this thing could really go. But that Bearish Div is, throwing a bit of a wrench in my belief, and there's not a lot of volume. Hour and 22 minutes ago, it's a little bit slow. If this is the right one, if not, then we're just looking at a random meme, which is also okay. That's kind of how we pick memes anyways. They're pretty random to begin with. Guys, I personally really like Splo on Sui. Swee's really taken off as far as memes go, and there's not a lot of memes on Swee. But this one, it's a community takeover, and the gentleman who led the takeover is an artist. I think it's a dude. It might be a chick. I'm not positive. But they're an artist, and they've just been making art non-stop, and it's the coolest shit. I can't stop buying this freaking thing. It's super cute. It's literally a meme coin. It doesn't do anything. But the art, I love the art. Mr. Roberts said, hey, good luck to you, JJ, and chat. JJ, nice chill vibe, man. Appreciate you, Mr. Roberts. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you again. Thank you for the kind words. We try to be as chill as possible. Sometimes I can't help how chill I am as well. Boomer looks hilarious. Did I add this? 7.4 million market cap. Should I add it to the watch list? I'll add it to the watch list so we can troll Clint. Popo. I love that Popo came back up. That makes me happy. We got a meme coin watch list, guys. If you got any suggestions, let us know. We'll add it to the watch list. If we like it, we'll check it out no matter what. Let's see what we got. Volume. We like to sort by volume, courtesy advice from our resident shitcoin trader, Mr. Anderson. Thank you, Mr. Anderson. Let's see. And I like to look for stuff that's a little bit older, like Podcast's 3 months old. And it's at $1.25 billion market cap. That's amazing. Hunter Plays says, yeah, boom, boom. Let's fucking go. Let's see if we can get Clint to buy some Boomer. That'd be pretty funny. Let's see. Goat. This thing's gone crazy. I love it. Fahid mentioned this earlier. He said it had some nice volume today. Looks like it's coming back down, but that's okay. What was this, yesterday? Since yesterday, it's up 50%. Jeez. Some of this stuff, guys, we keep fading. I like that they changed this picture, though. That makes me happy. Because before, there was like some AI junk, and it was kind of lame. This is cool, though. I like this. Are they on Twitter? Hunter Page says, do you also do TradFi markets or just crypto? I'll look at stocks if you want me to pull up stocks. I don't personally participate as much as I do crypto, but they are very heavily correlated, so I don't mind pulling up stocks if you mention stocks. We also look at stock news sometimes, because the money markets, I feel like they're all kind of going to merge over time anyways. The stock market's just like a more blue chip version of crypto at the moment. So yeah, I'm totally down to look at stocks. Should I follow this damn goat? Prepare your anuses. What the fuck? I gotta follow them. This is too funny. Or if there's good humor attached, I'll follow it. All right, we're sorted by volume. Oh, this is the watch list. My bad. My bad. What is this? Oh, the ultimate. Okay, volume. Let's see, guys. We got about 2 more minutes till this candle closes. I'm not really sure. So this candle back here is called a long-legged doji, and that literally just signals market indecisiveness. Fahid said SPX 6900. How is that doing? LOL. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look, Fahid. I don't like that this says Popo. It's not even showing me Popo. SPX 69. Damn. Okay, we're on the daily. It's pulled back for 2 days in a row. I like that. 10 and then 13. 600. Wow. $672.9 million market cap. That is crazy. What did we buy? Did we buy Boomer? This Mu Dengus Maximus was a complete rug. So sad. I wasted like $3 on that. What did I buy earlier, though? I didn't buy anything. I was going to buy something and I chose not to. Boomer's on base, isn't it? We're going to have to get some ETH. Everybody wants us to buy ETH tokens. We gotta get some ETH in the portfolio this Friday, guys. This Friday we'll put some ETH in our Phantom wallet, and we'll buy some ETH memes. I will say I genuinely enjoy doing the meme coins on stream because it like helps me DCA. It's been a lot of fun. Guys, the candle closed. Kind of a nothing burger. It's 11:01 p.m. I am gonna call it a night. Hunter Plays says, yes sir, base 1 slaps. Yeah, we'll check out the ETH meme coins for sure this Friday. Friday DCA day. We'll get into some ETH memes. Anyways, thank you guys for joining. Thank you Fahid. Thank you Hunter Plays. Thank you Mr. Robbers. Thank you Hoffs. Thank you Rules Crypto. Thank you Talk. Thank you Dave. Thank you Ernest Brendan. Thank you Jazz. Thank you Franco. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Have a good night. How often do you stream? I stream every day, man. I stream every single day. Sometimes we accidentally do 6-hour streams. Today we accidentally did a 3-hour stream. They're usually like 1 to 2 hours at most, but we've been doing a little bit longer format. It's when the price moves like this, we'll do longer. You know, I don't have any prior obligations. I work a 9 to 5, but I don't really have a schedule. Yeah, I would just say nightly for the daily close for the most part. Sometimes I miss that though. If it's not going to be super eventful, I don't know. I try to get the daily close. If I don't though, it's not the end of the world. But yeah. Have a great night. Take it easy, guys. Have a good night. Get some rest, get some shut-eye. Sleep is important, especially for us traders. We're staring at screens all day. Join the Discord, join the Telegram. I'll make sure I get those links in the descriptions. And happy Tuesday. Thanks for joining, guys. Good night.